that better? Guess it's better. There's no sun today, chat. It's so dark outside. It's cloudy, it's rainy, it's gloomy. Down bad day today. Down bad day. How you guys doing today? You guys chilling? W. Good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Ladies and gents. What's going on? Welcome back to a brand new New York session stream. Let me clear these from yesterday. Trades taken. Trades called. Yes, it's a good day. Yes, it's a good day, chat. Very vibey day yesterday. Car at 10 pips. We were chilling, over trading. Lovely day. Go broke 1804 during London, which is what I was waiting for. So hooray. I was asleep, sad face. Hey, let's see what's happening here. Do we got news? Wow. Remember last night when we were like, oh, sells below here on GJ? This thing broke below there, closed below and dropped 80 pips right after I hopped off, which is crazy. We have 10 a.m. relevant. Not gonna be on to that time. We have news at 10 a.m. So I mean, we're not. I don't think we'll be on till 10 a.m. We might, but I doubt it. We have. I never seen this actually. JOLTS job openings. What does JOLTS stand for? Number of jobs openings during the reported month, excluding the farm industry. Job openings. Oh, I see. I have never seen that. They're expecting, I believe it's good numbers. More jobs. So they're expecting more jobs, which means NFP next month should go down, I believe. Alright, let's take a look at gold and GJ real quick. So gold here, starting off gold here, the weekly is obviously bullish as expected. The day time frame, I said yesterday. Holy shit, it's in my throat. What? Yo, chat, what's going on today? Holy, a bug went up there. All right, so the day time frame, we actually had a resistance right here last night on the daytime, right? And I said how high chance today we have a high chance to go up as long as we respect the lows. And I know the daily lows were very it was a very small stop till the day time frame. I think this is like what? I think this is range here. Imagine a 70 pip daily candle on gold closure from the buy to the wick, right? So as long as you respected the lows, we had a high chance to continue up to fill this wick and to continue up towards the next level of resistance, which is going to be up here, or perhaps even like if you break that today, then looking up here. But I doubt 1860. My target for today was more of 1815, 1820 area. So yeah, that wick is getting filled indeed as expected. The 4 hour is bullish, the 1 hour is bullish. Yeah, this is clean. We have some range gold to left over too. So if we can get buys going up today, I'll look for buys if price were to break above this resistance here. Perfect. Right there. If you break above here, high chance you have to go up towards the next range, which is gonna be up here at the 1812 mark, I want to say. So that is your next range. It's gonna be around 42 pit range going up in this area today. So with that being said, I will indeed be looking for buys once you get a closure above there. All right, so not bad at all. The 1 hour close is about 19 minutes here. If you get a 1 hour closure, that'll be lovely too, because if the 1 hour breaks back into the range, it's just like saying like price is breaking back into the range, therefore we should come up to fill the range. So we have 20 minutes for the hourly candle to close. Moving on to GJ. I think GJ is looking like is bearish for the week. Day time frame is right now bullish. By any given point, we can flip bearish as we are bearish for the week, bearish for the day as well. The day candle actually closed below the support yesterday too. Last night we actually closed below. Therefore, we should continue down towards the next level of support, which is gonna be somewhere down here, or perhaps even down here at 151. I want to say target for today is 151,900. So I am looking for sells. If I'm looking for sells, where would I be looking for sells at, you may ask? Well, probably gonna wait for potential fake out here on GJ. So you have a support form right around here at 152, 352 or 353 right there. And whoa, what song is this? I had to play this. Sorry, it sounded like a Travis Scott beat. I'll say if this support breaks here at 152.399, we should continue down towards the next level support, which is gonna be down here. But before I look towards that support area, I want to see if we can get sells a bit earlier and potential fake outs, right? Because this is a range that you had here on GJ. You had a support here, and then you had like a potential like a resistance here, or even like here. This is the range we're in. If we're able to break back into this range, that'll be considered a fake out because we're breaking back into the range on a bearish day. So perhaps if you break below, I'm trying to figure out where I want that exactly to be though. I'm contemplating between 152.910, so this area, or perhaps actually, yeah, I think this area would be lovely. Yeah, if we break back below 152.912, I'll look for sells coming down to fill the range. I think that'll be clean for me. But obviously, you gotta close back inside the range, right? Until then, we're technically bullish today until like, or right now at least until 153. So there's no sells right now at all until we close back inside the range. But sells below here, closure. I'm gonna put fake out too. And then gold here pushing up here. Oof, we might get a push at the last 15-minute candle. Perfect. Morning guys, can you have a look at CAD-GPY, which is above the resistance on 1 hour time for looking for buys? Send me a chart in the Discord server. What's up, chat? How you guys doing today? Did you take the 2K trade on stream? Yes. Yo, you know someone messaged me last night and was like, yo, Don, hold on. Oh, this mic's like kind of loud. Yeah, so someone messaged me last night and was like, yo, Don, why didn't you take, why didn't you tell us? And it's like, man, I'm here to, you know, live stream, you know, and break down my positions, or break down the positions that I'm looking for and then take potential positions, right? But that doesn't mean I have to take every single position with you guys on stream. Like some of you guys here want me to kind of like hold your hand, you know, every day. And I don't know, man. It's just like, what do you think, Andre? I know y'all told me this. What do you think, Andre? Because sometimes like I'll feel bad, but I shouldn't feel bad. And Andre will tell me.
Yeah,
So-
nah, definitely shouldn't feel bad. I mean, at the end of the day, the people that get like the most salty about the trades that you don't call are just prolonging the process of them becoming profitable long term. And that's just my opinion. If you just focus on someone else's profits or for someone else's trades, I don't know. I feel like the more I'm happy for people doing well in their trading, the better off my trading is. So if like Don catches a position and for some reason we don't talk about it, and I'm like, yo, good position, nice. It's like good mojo for me later on. Like it like pays off for me. But the second I'm like, yo, you didn't tell me that you had gold buys, then it's like, I feel like it's like, bad karma on me that like I'm not trading someone else's positions. That comes down to like breakdowns, everything. Dude, I don't, you do the best of not acknowledging those type of things. Like you don't get like.
Nah, I don't. But yesterday I got like a direct message, just like,
What you had a position after? You know what I think is more important, rather than being upset about a position that he didn't call, that whatever, maybe just be like, yo, can I learn from the position? Like, I'm interested to know the position you took. Like, tell me about it so I can take it next time. You know what I mean? Rather than being like, I didn't get in on it, be like, what is it?
He's like, try to be honest and transparent next time, bro.
What can you walk through the gold trade that you did take?
I think it was the same. It was like kind of the same position. It was where was it? It was before the drop. Definitely. It was like, what? Like, when did we take that trade? ADM.
It was gold buys, right? Would you take 2 positions or something?
Yeah. Well, a little after, like right after I got like my break even. It was like right after I took it. Where was it again? It was right here somewhere. But what's that? Was it 7:30? Let me check. I can't even go back and tell you where exactly, to be honest with you, just because like now it looks like kind of choppy because they take a bunch of dojis. Yeah. But it was like in between here somewhere. Like I can't remember the account formation exactly what happened, but it was in between these 2 counts, like somewhere here. But looking back, and now it looks choppy. It's like, well, Don, why the fuck did you enter? It's right. But it was like it was definitely somewhere here, like somewhere here.
Yeah, man. I think rather than people getting salty, it's just learning from other people is like the best thing that you can do in those type of situations. Just like learn from other people and stop being salty. Trade for yourself. Like right now, I'm in a position. I had gold buys on the 30-minute closure above, right? And regardless of whatever happens, it's my position. It's not Don's position or Macaroni's positions or Tyler's positions, but all of them, I know for a fact, will be like, yo, that was a good position. How'd you take it? Or that wasn't for me. I didn't like that. No wick on the 1 hour. Like, bro, it's all relative. Focus on yourself.
Yeah. See, like I didn't know Andre's in a position. I didn't know he's in a position. Also, like I don't even see a 30-minute closure. Which Andre, so you drew your support, I guess, a little lower. You drew it like right here or something, right? I'm guessing.
Yes.
Yeah,
exactly.
Yeah, third close above that area. I think I drew mine at a 15-minute resistance right here. But yeah, definitely clean. I'll be in Richard too in about 10 minutes here, hopefully. But I mean, by then, I think you probably want the trade to play through by then. So let's just see what happens.
Definitely. I think the no wick previous 1 hour was something that I was slightly hesitant about.
Yeah.
But we've been talking about just like executing on your positions, right? And this is one that I felt decent about. And the stops I've already managed my stops at this point, so I have a 13 pip stop right now that I feel like is pretty decent. I initially had like a 16 pip stop, so that's been crazy.
Robert was like, yo, Andre, how can you not tell us when you entered?
And you know what's funny is Simon, my boy, he's been asking me questions on stop. He actually asked me in the chat, yo, are you in? And I said, yeah. I had buy stops at 1807, 700.
Where did you get in? Because I got in a position. I want to see if we're thinking the same thing.
1807, 700.
Okay, yeah. Do you want to tell me like why you got in?
Yeah, sure. The 30-minute closed above my resistance. I had a resistance at 1807.44. We had a 30-minute closure above. The candle opened up, just had a bottom wick, right? Then opened up, didn't have a top wick. So after it created a bottom wick, I had a buy stop at 1807, 705. And I have a stop loss at the previous 30 minute, which was 1806, a little below 37, and then a take profit at 1812. So that's the next resistance for me, long-term resistance runner rise. And then as we come up to tap the previous 30-minute highs, I moved my stop loss to the current candle low, because if we come down to break the current candle low, there's a good chance that we'll fall all the way down. So that's currently how I'm managing the position right now.
Chabella.
All right. That's good, man. Thank you.
If you ever break these highs here on a 30 time frame, it should be Chabella.
I think so.
Yeah, I got nervous and removed half my risk, but I had the same thought process.
Why did you get nervous?
I don't know, because I have no idea.
Emotions.
On that. Yeah.
Emotions.
But then I expected it to fly right through, and then it kind of started like stuttering at the top.
Mm-hmm.
So I just removed half my risk.
You'll learn that stuff through experience, though. Like next time, like okay, this is one time. I tell you a story all the time, but like one time price came so close to my stop, it was like 2-3 pips away, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna stop though. I might as well close there, right? But that's why I say, like, make sure like you always have your stops at like levels where it makes sense, and not just because you feel like you should lose 10 pips max only. So like I had my stop loss below previous candle low, and this thing came down. For example, here, like I had a stop loss here. This thing came down so close to my stop loss, never broke the lows, and I closed. I'm like, oh, it's hit my stops. Next thing you know, I kind of flip bullish, respected those lows, and continue up. And I feel like shit after. That was like a year and a half ago, and ever since then, I stopped doing that. It's like trust the analysis or trust the trade until it actually breaks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I definitely, Reza, I saw price struggling. Like I see price struggling right now.
Yeah.
But more times than not, like the second you go and manage risk, like it's gonna fly, like Don just said, and sometimes you catch L's. I think that's part of trading. We talked about it yesterday. You got to be okay with taking an L. It's part of trading.
Yeah. I think your problem when you initially started is still kind of my problem. It's like I'm not very good at taking L because it just throws me off after. I'm still working on that, but I've been getting better.
Nice.
Well, Marcos. So man, how's your first playoff finals win yesterday, man? All giddy?
It was so easy. I let DeAndre Ayton and Chris Paul carry me.
Really?
I didn't really have to do much. Yeah, kind of just was average.
Wow, bro.
Yeah, it was cool. I was busy.
Yo, can you smile for us, bro?
Dude, twinsies.
You're literal twins, man. Literal twins. Look,
I gotta. My hair is shorter now too. If it was longer, it'd be better.
Bro, yo, for Halloween, man, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. Yeah, we gotta do some type of prank. Yeah, I'll come to New York for Halloween just to do this prank with you in real life on the street, in the streets.
Yes.
Devin Booker prank.
Yeah,
They're
man.
gonna be like, wait, what happened? What happened to your height?
Oh yeah, you're 5'4". I forgot.
I'm 5'4". He's like 6'9".
Did you catch any good runners from last night? No. Where did Reza come from? He came from what do you mean? Like to the Zooms? He was enrolled to the course, and then he got access to the Zooms. Chat. Everyone here has access. Well, everyone who has a course has access to the Zoom calls and could join and all that good stuff.
Marcos is not 5'4".
5'4", man, small.
Oh shit.
Yo, imagine I was actually 5'4". This dude just straight up roasted me, toasted me in the chat. Should have smoked me in the chat. That would hurt.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's crazy. It's not even 7 a.m. yet, and we have 250 people. Fuck, bro. It's so crazy to believe. Chat, 1 year ago, man, not even a year and a half ago, Like 8 viewers per stream. I'll never forget the times. You know why I'll never forget the times? Because I was struggling to keep the chat engaged. No one was chatting. It was just me and like some other dude. And I was just making up questions off the top of my head. And if you watch the streams, like there was never a silent moment. I've always like that was my #1 rule in the streaming. Like never keep it quiet. I always like try to provide some type of value, entertain, or engage the audience, you know. And now we're here, I guess. That's pretty crazy to me though. What was I gonna do? Oh, yeah. Charge for stream. I got you. Charge for stream. Okay, so I made the money back on a trade from the stream. What do you mean money back on a trade from the stream? We won a trade yesterday. What do you mean money back? Did you lose money yesterday? We won the trade yesterday. What's this? This is yesterday now for. Oh wow, I missed on a lot of charts. This Jordan FX, you can't send here. Send it in a different channel. This is charts for stream, not profits for stream. This is 11 a.m. last night. Okay, we got this. All right, cool. What is this? Waiting for a closure and break highs. Be careful because this might be a fake out on a bearish trend. Okay, be careful. Okay, we're gonna look back on this later on. Okay, CAD CHF. I understand that the day time is heavy bearish. This is a range 1 breakout. You might get a fake out back into the range. Be very careful. CAD CHF. Yeah. GJ, what is this? GJ 30-minute tapper. I'm only looking for sell today because the day can flip bearish at any time. Looking for a fake out. I want a 30-minute close back into the range. Yes, exactly. Perfect. GJ. Do the same shit every day. Wait for yourselves. Don't take round trades off emotions. Also, good morning, everybody. Let's get the vibes up today. I love this guy, man. Every day he sends a chart in. Or a girl. I don't know who this is because his YouTube name is Samantha, but his trading view name is Jordan FX. So I don't know.
I think he uses his girl's YouTube. I think he said that.
Yeah, he did say that.
Because if you're a girl, then what's this? Hey. We have about a 1.5 minutes here for a closure chat. Why do people feel like yeah, you know, man, you know why people who like, you know, Jordan FX, if he posts profits, I wouldn't mind. Like he sends charts all day long. Like if you send a chart before a trade happens and it plays through, you can send your profits. 100% you can send your profits. But the question is, people who never chat in a Discord server, never like check their rankings, never chat, man, they come in 10K a day, ha. Like no one cares, you know. Like they're obviously posting to promote some type of like program or something. But I should make it so that you can only send pictures if you're ranked like top 50 in a Discord server or top 10 in a Discord server, right? That'd be dope.
I like that.
I don't know how to do that. I gotta figure it out. But yeah, that'd be dope, man. Because I don't want like everyone just sending pictures in and stuff. And motivational purposes, it's not good motivation though. It's not good motivation. Like I used to be in the same boat with you when I first started. Like, yeah, it's cool to look at, but I see those screenshots like everywhere now, everywhere. Like I seen people make 100K a day. You know, like I haven't had 100K a day in my life yet. Nowhere near 100K a day yet. But I see it all the time. It doesn't like motivate me anymore. It's just more of like, it's just noise to me now. You know, like it's not my lane yet. You know, it's like I'm here to trade for myself, and right now I'm not at the level where I can pop certain lot sizes and catch certain pips every day to make 100K. This is not my plan. You know, my plan is 10 pips, and for my lot size, that's around roughly 1,000, 2,000 a day on average. So like it kind of messes up my trading plan more so than it, you know, helps me grow and better my trading plan, if that makes sense. DVS, what's going on, man? Yeah, beginner psychology as well. Yeah, because then beginners come in thinking that they could make X and X amount, you know, and then they try to over leverage their account to make that amount. It's just not good practice, I'll say.
Wanted wants you to do a full analysis all over again.
Oh, you showed up late, so now you want 250 people to read to watch the analysis again. Hey,
like, come on, bro.
I have a thing on my stream where you can go back. Like some streams don't have it, but my stream you can. You can go back and watch the beginning of the stream again. The first 5 minutes, you can watch the analysis.
Motherfucker wants special treatment.
Yeah, he does.
Damn.
I don't even think I would get that. That would be like, yo, just rewind the stream.
No, yeah, I'll tell you. I'll tell you to rewind the stream, man. I do that breakdown once. I do it twice in a day. You know that, right? I do it during Asian session, and I do the exact same shit during New York session. It's just an update on the Asian session and London. So like, you know. But you can rewind it. You could wind it back. Pause. Macros. I see you caught a nice trade yesterday. Or no, Andre caught a nice trade yesterday after we hopped off.
Yes.
I had a feeling too.
Thing.
Yeah, because I saw the count flip. I'm like, oh, I know Andre's in here. I'm just gonna close the charts and let him enjoy the profits. This guy, Carl, you got 10 full.
Yeah, close full of 10. It was just, I don't know, it was ironic. It was the scenario that we talked about to the T, and I had to like remind myself of that because as soon as it didn't play out as smoothly as yours, as soon as your candle flipped or reflipped, I guess I should say, it just immediately went into profits and you were able to like move stops to break even. I kind of like hovered around there for a little bit, but it played out and it was a nice trade. And I don't think it's really like a trade that I thought too much about. So now that I have that in my repertoire, it's nice.
You entered on the flip, right? Not the break of the highs.
Not to break of the highs, yeah. So the candle opened up, created a pretty significant top wick, maybe like 10 plus pips, had no bottom wick, came down, made a bottom wick, and then as it reflipped, I entered on the actual reflip and had my stop loss, as the current candle low.
But if I rewind and then you take a trade, I'm not gonna take a trade. It's 7:03 here. The next possible trade I can take is at 7:15. If you get closure above, so you have like 15 minutes or 10 minutes before I make my this count closes here. Chat, how often do you guys see me enter at like 7:03 or 7:06 or something? You know, it's usually on opening the candle or something, right? So like you don't see me enter here. There's nothing here. The 1 hour closed below the support, this resistance here. 30 minute closed below. 15 closed below. So I'm gonna wait for a closure above in order for me to get positions in.
You can just show up on time and then it'll be good.
Or show up on time, you know? I always say it in my thing. No, don't be late. This is why I say don't be late, because this stuff happens. Bruno, Poison, what's going on, man? Thanks for subbing to the channel. Guys, I think we're at 7K, right? I think I saw 7K this morning. I'm not sure if I was tripping though. Try FX. Leave a like. Ooh, 50 likes. 6.7. I was tripping now. 6.7. I thought I saw 7K. That's pretty crazy though. Mr. JXTR, what's going on? W mod. Gold 1 hour time frame, 1 hour close bullish, candle close bullish above 1 hour resistance to enter on the flip of the next candle and use current candle stops, and stops are big. Tagged at 10 pips. Tagged at 10 pips. Break even, you mean, right? Yeah. Oh, you trailed your stop loss. I see. Nice. That's a good trail. Cause yeah, it's not bad. Nice. Good trade here, man. You got closure above the range here. And then price actually pushed up. This is a bit earlier though. This is like 4 hours trading. This was what time? This is that 1 hour time frame. That was, oh wow, it was right here. Yeah, 2 a.m. London opening. That was a clean trade. Clean trade. Let me ask you. Oh, you entered on the flip. Okay, never mind. I thought you entered on the opening this candle. Okay, yeah, it's pretty clean. Not bad. Not bad. Oh, chat. We might get the 3rd minute start play here, but I want a closure, I believe, in this situation. A 15-minute closure above. minimum.
I was just looking at that. If you look at the 1 hour and the 30-minute, or the 1 hour, or the 1 hour basically closed above was 1 hour resistance, and then if you break these highs, you would be breaking the daily highs. So I think you would be able to get 10 pips off of it. That's just my that's my thought process right now. What do you think of the 1 hour time frame? If you've looked at it,
Like we closed below, right? But still bullish. The 4 hours gonna be breaking the highs. 4 is at that resistance though, but day time frame is heavily bullish, and we're breaking that high, and daytime has clean traffic until like 1814. So I don't know. Are you looking at the 30 minutes replay?
potentially.
This music is fire today. What's going on here?
I'm not even touching it. Someone asked Marcos if he Marcos, have you streamed lately? Actually,
Not since like last week.
sir. Why not, sir?
The holidays. I haven't even
The
gotten to
holidays. Oh my god.
It's the holidays.
I had a holiday and I still streamed last week.
No, give the man a break.
I'm playing. No, but come on, yo, when's the Twitch stream coming back? Those are lit,
week.
man. Those are lit. This week or today?
Yeah, they're not. You don't even know. You show up for like 20 minutes. He just says,
No.
it's his comment every time is, please, sir.
I
Choose your buyer, sell,
actually
sir."
show up for 5 minutes. Bro,
Yeah, 5 minutes.
I'm not
and
on
then
a
he
chart.
says, Sir, please.
You know what
sir,
it is, bro?
please."
You know what will make it more fun? If you open the corp call, let Andre and Tyler join, and then
I'm down.
they can just chill in there with you. It'll be vibey. We'll make it
Are
less
you
boring.
not gonna chill with us? Are you? What are you too cool for school?
And you can also mute us too.
that?
You can mute us
Yeah.
and then talk to your stream without hearing us. Letting his viewers
said-
down for
He said
real,
you could chill
man.
with, you could chill with them.
Yeah, not me though.
Not me though. I'll be doing something.
What's your Twitch, bro? I'm gonna shout your Twitch right now to make sure people keep you accountable. What's your Twitch?
Marcos moves. This guy.
Marcos moves, all right. Marcos moves last stream.
Oh shit. Wait, no, but I've been streaming on TikTok.
His next stream will be Thursday. Oh,
Why buys? I'm not buying.
oh shit. All right. Anyways, Marcos moves 12 days ago.
Yeah, but I'm on
Oh.
TikTok. I'm on TikTok like every day. That's different.
Do both, bro. Do both. People here love Twitch. Do both.
All right. Now I have no choice.
Yeah. Hey, get Marcos to 50 followers, chat. Is it the minimum?
50 is for the affiliate, right?
Yeah, that's 28, chat. Get into 50. Easy claps. We got 300 people in here. Simply just click the follow button. DVS.
I got you, Marcos.
DVS stand up. You guys know where that's
Genius
from?
Rise. Nah.
Flight reacts. You know Flight?
Yeah, I do know Flight. Flight's funny.
Super funny. I sure myself was definitely still experimenting on it. I see. Yeah, I saw you. You cheer stop last there, right? Yeah, I saw. Yeah. So did anyone else get hit with the stops? I never entered gold. I like we never closed above from there. Wait, Andre, what'd you do with that position? I forgot you got a position. What's up?
About to.
Oh, you're still
remove this
in.
dude from chat.
Oh. Which dude? Kevin. Kevin.
Nah, wanted ops.
Wait, why? What do you do?
No free promo. No, we won't even give it. We won't even shine light on it. You can't talk shit about anyone in DVS and expect to be in this chat. So if you talk shit about anyone here, then you're kicked out. No questions asked. Well, let's see this.
How about Kevin?
Kevin, I didn't see Kevin. All I saw was Kevin say K. All right, yeah, back to gold. Dude. What's important there?
You guys know where that's from? You guys know where that's from? Who knows where that's from? Whoever knows that's from Home Alone.
Home Alone.
Yes, that's why I said, yo,
That's
Kevin.
right.
Kevin, why you saying K in the chat? Kevin, man. Kevin McAllister, good old
Love when you said
Kevin.
that scared the shit. It scared the shit out of me too. I was like, what is that?
Lost like 20 viewers. Oh,
Got some people's ears bleeding. It's all right.
It's all good. It's wake up call in chat. Wake up call.
Yes, sir. What do you? You're gonna wait for a closure on this 30-minute gold break if we were to come up and break the previous 30-minute highs?
Yes, sir.
So
Wait for a
okay.
closure, preferably above like 1808.089, and then that should be good for buys.
Sticking to the
Yo,
plan.
these beats are
Locked
fire
in.
today. What's going on? Ooh. We're looking for sells. If it doesn't break, I'm not looking for sells. That's the thing. That's the thing, right? That's the thing. You gotta stick to one bias every day. You can't come to your charts and have like this. Buys above here, and then I want sells below here. It's kind of like you're putting yourself in a situation where you're kind of forcing a position. You don't want to do that. You want to have one bias for a day, because when you do that, that's how you get faked out. You get a closure below. Oh, I'm taking sells now. Next thing you know, price goes back in the range, and back in the range we go, following the day trend, right? So be careful. The only way I'll take something against my bias for a day is if we get a range 2 breakout. So wherever that is, I'll look for range 2 breakouts. But by the looks of it, looks like it's gonna be if this is one range, then perhaps below 1801 for my sells. I look for sells in this area right here, from there to there, and that's it. From here to here, this will be my sell. Until then, no sells for me. I'm looking for buys above the area. So what was Otto talking about in terms of his stops? I mean, he was in a different trade. I mean, he was in his trade. I think he explained it.
My stops are the previous 1 hour lows, which were also the previous 30-minute lows. So it was looking good. Like this 1 hour was pushing up. I actually got back to my entry. I was considering closing at break even, but the trade made sense to play out. So I'm currently just letting it ride right now. My stop's at 1806.04. So if this 1 hour comes up to break the previous 1 hour high, I'm gonna move my stops to break even for sure and just chill. But price is definitely struggling here.
This 15-minute order break close and close bearish. Would you consider closing half?
Yeah, honestly, I'll probably in a minute. If this closes bullish, that's obviously a good sign. But if we come down to break the current 15 lows on the next 15, then I'll probably just get out of the position. I think it's like 8 pips,
Yo,
be about 9 pips.
I still want. Yeah, Adrian. After you banned this guy out the chat 2 weeks ago or something.
Which one?
Like you wanted that, wasn't that him?
Who?
After
I
like
don't know
a
who you're
month ago or 2 weeks ago, you banned him off the chat.
Who are you talking about? What name?
Wanted.
Wanted? I don't know if it was wanted.
I said you just banned him again, didn't you?
I didn't ban him. I removed his comment because he was talking shit on someone here, which you're not allowed to
Wait.
do.
I swear it was him, and he made a new. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping, but
Was it wanted? I was.
I
someone
think
that
it was
like
Wanted. I could check.
pulling some magic trick.
I don't know, man. Andre, I want to know in the past stream you went with a Wanda because you were comfortable with a larger balance in there. You trade gold, so what broker did you decide to go with?
Trader's Domain.
Get some sun now. Trader's Domain.
Oh.
Actually, according to me, there would be a reversal there. Huh, laugh emoji. It's a sell for me. Why people put this laugh emoji thing, man? It's like, it's so, I don't know, man. Like, especially when people have, like, these McLaren entries, man. Yeah, I mean, if you see a sell, I respect it. You see a sell. I mean, I'm not looking for sells. Like, I'm not interested in looking for sells. Like, this is not my chart right now, right? This is not my chart. I'm gonna wait simply for a range, like follow my bias. I'm waiting for this to break first of all, and I'm waiting for this to break. I'm avoiding all of this. So this is no trade for me for sells, no trade for me for sells. This would be my sells below here. I'm only looking to catch from here to here, and that's it. I'm not looking to catch a 500 pip reversal candle. You know, like it's not my trading style. It's not what I do. So what would I do today? Yeah, read other people's charts. Send it in the Discord server. We have a Discord server here, and link in the bio or /point Discord will pop up, and then you join it and you go to the charts for stream section. Go in there, and then you will have to send your charts here. And these were our charts are sent. W. Golden hour? It's not golden hour. This is like sunny. This is morning. This is morning.
It was like crazy pouring in upstate. Is it? But now it's like sunny. Is that what it is for you right now, or?
I woke up at 3 a.m. middle of the night to get some water, and yeah, it was like pouring rain. Like when it rains, it pours. I thought my windows were like open, but it was just the rain being loud.
What about now? Is it still raining or is it sunny now?
It's sunny. Kinda. It's only got dark in a bit though. That's Canada, man. We get 4 seasons in one day.
Yes, sir. Chat. What are you saying? Canada already broke the lows. That's aggressive entry level. Hats off. What do you mean? I'm not in any positions. Chat, what's wrong today, chat? What's wrong? That's two people think I'm in positions right now. I'm not. If I was in position, yes, see. Unless you're new here. If you're new here, then it's understandable. But if you've been here for a while, you guys already know I'm in a position when I show my thing on my screen. Like, at least. Yeah, they're talking about my position.
Oh.
FOMC stream?
When is that today? That's not today.
Meeting minutes? Today at 2?
Oh, no. Definitely not. Yeah, you half of that. Like, the last time.
We did that last time. We just sat here, bro.
Me and Marcos are gonna be just by ourselves, just like down bad, trading news with no volume.
Sitting there drop shipping. Oh, fuck this.
Yeah, there you go.
You might be good here, Andre.
Yeah, we'll see what happens if this current 15 can break the highs. I think I told everyone I moved my stop loss to the previous 15 low at 1806.64. If we come down to break that low, there's a good chance we're gonna come all the way down.
I think you're good. I think you're good.
Sounds like I'm gonna look for 100 pips a day, and then I call it a day. I'm been, hey man, but do you, boo? Do you, boo? You know, do you, boo?
I think you're in the wrong stream if you look for 100 pips a day, catching reversals. Just being honest.
Well, yeah, I mean,
Well, it's not the right stream, that's for sure.
I'm not looking for reversals. Hey, the thing is, like, I can relate to them though, because I used to do the exact same shit, man. I used to go in like, I used to join different like channels and just brag about the fact that I catch 100 pips every day, you know, or they attempt those trades every day with like, you know, whatever RR, positive RR, and it's like it all comes back to just like having that ego, and that's why the other day I talked about it before. I talked about ego and trading. That's why I left those past strategies and I changed my strategy, because all those strategies they require this ego that you know, ego that you have to have this many pips in a day to be profitable, or this ego that you know you're catching the highs and the lows, or you know, another ego of that, you know, you're the best in the markets, you're defeating the banks, and it's like, I don't know, it's just not, I don't like the energy with that trading strategy. That's why I can't trade how I do now.
This beat's fire.
King Don, yo, that's true, man. The markets are an expensive place to learn about ego problems. Yeah, you want to avoid all ego in trading, man. Like, again, the only way to avoid ego is if you focus on coming in second place. The moment you say to yourself that you will come in first place, you will beat the markets, you failed. You will fail. Although you might have won that trade, you're gonna fail. Because you can't come in first place. It's impossible. You can't catch every like if you come in first place, you would, from the day you started trading till now, you have a 100% win rate. You just can't come in first place. The markets are the markets at the end of the day. You can't control how volatile it is, how slow it is, where it moves, how it moves, but you can use probability to predict where and when and how it's going to move, right? And that's what we do, following the trend. I'm not here to catch or reverse. I'm not here to tell the markets that you need to reverse here because I need to make money for lunch later. You know, it's like, that's not how the markets work. Markets don't care about that. It would just move wherever it wants to move. So GG possible fake out. Yes, that's what we're waiting for. A fake out below 156. Look at that I said there. Subs below here, closure, fake out. Yes, if that happens, that'd be lovely. That'd be lovely. I want to know here though, who here got caught in a fake out? That's what I want to know. 1 hour is gonna break the lows here potentially soon. Not bad. Oh wow, make the 1 hour start play here. How big are stops? 18 pips only? Wow. For 38 pips, 18 pips stop loss on gold. Wow, it's not bad. 1 hour will be breaking the highs. why are you giving this down, man? What's going on? Yeah, break in here.
Come on. Come on, gold. You can do it.
We have 6 minutes left for a closure. I'm gonna wait for a closure in 6 minutes, chat, and see how things do. But it looks goody. Looks goody. Looks goody. Oh shit. Okay. Activated for you guys who had the 1 hour start place. I'm waiting for a closure here, chat. Uh-oh. Can you guys get your 10?
I don't know if anyone was in with me initially. I got my stops break even here at this point.
Nice. Did you close out anything, half or anything when we closed below? No. Nice. You're like what, 6 pips in profit? 7?
Yeah. Yep.
Nice. Yeah, Andre's break even, chat, from earlier. I think he got him before the stream, right?
Yeah, like right as the stream started, the 6:30 candle.
This has been a long hour for him. He's break even now though.
Has it been an hour? Oh
yeah,
my god.
It's been an hour.
Damn, people have been talking shit. I've been just focused.
Yeah,
confiding
man.
in my Zoom friends, being like, yo, talk me through this trade.
Like, there's a difference between giving, like, you know, like, I guess, like, I don't know, I guess it's everything trade is opinion based, right? I don't know. Some people are just weird here though. Some people just come in here just to be weird, like in a chat, just saying like, oh, why'd you enter? Like, you know, like this thing's gonna reverse. Like, man, just respect the man's breakdown. The man's not like, he's giving you a breakdown here. It's not like he's just saying he's taking a buy here for no given reason. Like, some people in the chat do that. They come in, they say buy here, and yeah, with no type of explanation at all. And I'll give you guys a full breakdown on that. So if the previous bullish candle closed above the resistance, it would have been a great starter play opportunity. The reason why I didn't take it was just because the 1 hour didn't close above. If the 1 hour closed above and you got the starter play, then I would 100% be in right now. But since that didn't happen, I'm kind of holding out until this last 4 minute here. And if you close like this in 4 minutes, I'm gonna enter a buy position. Stops are gonna be like around 17, 18 pips, and TP is gonna be around 23 pips or even 38 pips. So I'm gonna wait for that.
Nice. It's a good setup.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Uh-oh, and GJ came back into the range, chat. Also, who sent that chart earlier of, what was it? What pair is that? CAD CHF? I want to look at that pair. Because I want to see if there's a fake or not. CAD CHF. We said avoid a fake out, right? Oh, here it goes. There was a fake out. Wow. Yeah, that's how long it's been since I traded this pair. The lines are red. This is like 2019. The lines are red. Because my lines were red in 2019. Yeah. Oh, man. Anyways, look at this. What chart was this sent on? This chart was sent on a 1 hour time frame. CAD CHF 1 hour time frame. He said how he was looking for buys, right? Waiting for a closure above, break of the highs. You got a closure above here. I hope we didn't take it. We kind of warned you just because look at that. Now we are coming back into range. Why did I say it was a fake out here? Not because I was bored, not because I'm just predicting and guessing, simply just because the daily is bearish. The 4 hour, like day is bearish and the weekly is bearish, I believe. The weekly broke the lows, so it's like found a higher time frame. Sells would only happen here if you get range 2 breakouts, or buys won't happen if you get range 2 breakouts. In this case, this is still range 1. This is still one range here, so high chance of you getting faked out in that range. Another example of a fake out, right? Another example. But hey, we saved. I hope. I'm not sure what happened there. Should update us. All right. You have 20 minutes left. I mean, 2 minutes left. Third man of resistance right here. I think I need a closure above here.
Nice,
On 30.
I like that.
Yeah, on 30. I need a
That makes
closure
sense.
above there. It looks good here. Right here would be perfect.
I think I might have hit. I think I might have hit break even here.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, it's like right there. It's a tough situation.
It's a minute and a half.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's around the next pullback, the next current candle low too.
Yeah. Oh God. I don't know what to do.
You wait this last minute and see what happens. Yeah, no choice.
Yeah.
Yeah, no choice.
You have no choice.
You're break even though, so
Yeah. I got my. It's actually like 1 pip below break even, but basically break even. Yeah, we're close.
but how come it's 1 pip below?
Just because of my entry with spreads, I'm accounting
okay.
for spreads. My entry was 1807, 705, but then spreads on top of that. So
I thought it was just because like it was like opening the candle or something.
whoa. This 15 is gonna close above. Looks pretty good.
Yep.
30 is gonna close
We
above.
have about 30 seconds here, chat. Uh-oh. Are we gonna be in? We need a bottom wick, obviously, right? That should be fun. Let's see. Oh, that's not fine. Now that's not fine. Let's hear. 11 seconds, chat. 11 seconds. And we're not gonna close above. We gotta wait for the outer candle to close. Great. Yeah. It's close below for me. I moved my resistance up, chat, towards this area because looking left here, there's a lot of resistance here. So I need a closure above there. Price hasn't closed above before there, so no closure,
break even.
no buys. That's all goody, man.
Yeah, that's all goody.
Break even. Yeah. The 1 hour didn't close above as well. 30 didn't close above. You know, so makes sense now.
This is a good trade.
Yeah, that's a good trade.
Man, that was a long trade. That was kind of a rough trade for me. I was in there for a minute. Scared, down bad.
The song. She's got the job at Subway. Nice, bro. You guys, you know Malad on YouTube? You gotta make some Subway videos. That's what I'd be watching.
Nah.
Search up Malad on YouTube.
This man just makes Subway videos.
Hell yeah. POVs. Best videos ever. Malad POV. Yo, this music is good today. Is this the same guy? Whoa. Yo, okay. Oh, it's his new stuff, his new album for copyright free music. Makes sense.
This 15 looks like it kind of wants to push. That 15 closed above.
Yeah, 15 closed above
resistance.
Most recent, yeah. But I think my way here, man. I don't like the way that 30 looks. I'll be more comfortable taking this if the 1 hour closed above, right? But since it didn't, we can still close below here. Definitely is bullish though, but no room for entry right now. Don, it is guided meditation time. Why? What happened? What happened? What happened to you? Tell me. Talk to me. What happened? What do you think about sells and GJ? I've been thinking about sells and GJ all morning, and I believe once we close back into the range here, we should get sells. Until then, there's no sells for me. You have 15 minutes left for the 15 close, and you have 30 minutes left for the 30 close. You need one of those counts to close. So
5-minute celery on gold.
Oh, pushing up here.
Pushing up.
And chat, I could be drawing my support and resistance completely wrong. Right? Who knows? It's never a wrong or right way to draw support and resistance. I might draw it off today, but this is where I'll normally draw it usually, and this is where price respected. So if I miss this move, I'm not gonna blame myself or anything. I'm just gonna say that we never close above for me.
What do you think of that 5-minute celery? Marcos Macaroni.
Marcos is in. I know for a fact.
He's trying to get some sun right now. Look at him.
I ain't in shit.
That's like an old Italian man. I ain't in shit.
Got this cold brew with a straw. Look. Little froth.
Did you manifest that? Did you manifest that coffee, man?
Yes.
Yo, Marcos, you gotta start by manifesting small things first.
Like what?
I don't know,
That's
like
preaching right now.
Like you gotta start manifesting small things, like manifest $5. What comes to that?
I'm gonna manifest you.
Oh, sus.
Do you watch UFC? Isn't
insane.
McGregor fighting on Saturday?
Straight up just moved on.
Just moved on, ignored it.
Yes, UFC. All right, chat. Who you got? McGregor or Poirier?
I got McGregor.
I have to be the culture guy for sports because Don doesn't know anything.
Hockey.
No one likes that stick game.
I'm not gonna say anything.
McGregor. Who should I put money on? That's the real question. Some shit. Oof.
Need guidance from the FX god. What's up? Talk to me. What's up? Pipinacci, what's up? Tell the chat what's up.
Pipinacci.
Tell the chat what's up. You got your yoga mats, boys? We'll do it later. We'll do it later, chat. We'll see. But we gotta see what the situation here is. What's the situation here, Pipinacci? Don's hair looking long. Yeah, I need a haircut this week. It's only been 2 weeks, right? Look how long my hair is in 2 weeks. Insane. I need to find a way to stop my hair from growing when I get a haircut. Like it just pauses.
When I was younger, I'm gonna expose myself.
You're
When I
gonna
was
send a picture?
younger, bro, I used to put gel in my hair, and I would think that would stop my hair from growing after I would get a haircut. I used to do the weirdest shit. Like I'd put gel in my hair and oh god.
Nah, you got Italian hair though, so like your hair could like actually move and adjust to the way you want it to move. You can comb my hair, it can stay. My hair like it goes out
Yeah.
straight, so it looks 10 times longer. It's annoying.
Oh man, it's just funny. I don't know if anyone else had the Italian haircut back in the day, but like you used to spike just the front gel the top all the way down and then spike just the front, and then you would dye the front of your hair blonde. Just the
Speaking about
tips.
Italy, you guys won yesterday.
I was down bad when I was young.
You guys won the semis yesterday. You guys went to the finals.
Yeah. Ravioli squad won.
Ravioli squad, is that what you said?
Italy.
Hopefully it's gonna be Italy versus England. It's gonna be a sick game. I want Boston for that.
Why Boston?
Just because go to the city, they have cool bars.
I see. Is McGregor? How old is McGregor? 30 something?
33 maybe.
32, 33. Would you consider buying TJ? No, I'm not. I'm looking for sells only today, and it's only if we break below and close below 152, 920, 912. There's no sells in chat. We explained here in this situation. There's no sells because this counter here closed right at support. It didn't close below, so we can still push up technically. Now, if this happens now, if we come down, create support. This is range 1. This is range 2 now because you had a support right here, resistance right here, in its range. Then you have a second range. Right here. This is now range 2. So range 1, range 2, going against the buys. Now if you break above here, you can look for buys going up to fill this range now towards 153, 500. Right? Because now that you have that support being formed, this is now considered a range. But see how we close here. We have 22 minutes left. That's a shit ton of time. So this is why it's so important. What's the next song? What's the next banger coming up? Okay. Wait, so where's Fibonacci at? I want to see what's up. Double bottom? Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah. I respect it.
Warehouse Boston. Okay. We're going to fuck, I don't even know. We're going to Banners, but not anymore.
A couple cities near Toronto. There's only one city in Canada, and it's Toronto. Everything else is the suburbs. Yeah. Toronto kind of crazy. I was out, and then a bunch of people were honking and stuff in their cars with a bunch of flags flying out. Was it like that in New York too, Andre? Was it like that for when Italy won yesterday or no?
Probably in like Little Italy and like like the Bronx that we were talking yesterday, but not like in Rochester, New York.
I live near Italian, so yeah.
Was it popping where you were? Like they were wilding out.
No, not as popping as the FIFA World Cup, but it was popping, kind of.
I feel like Latin culture is very prideful for their culture.
Yes.
What's that? Don't you have a hurricane coming?
Bensonhurst and Bay Ridge in Brooklyn were going wild yesterday.
Yeah, see, that's where you grew up, right?
Yeah.
Or close there?
Yeah, that's the Italian, the Louisville slugger neighborhood, That's where they
What's your nationality, Wix9?
Ukrainian.
Ukrainian.
Ukrainian, you said that before.
Yeah.
Don't you have a hurricane coming?
Yeah, it missed us.
Don't you need a hunker down?
No.
This man's outside trading.
we had like a chair fall over and shit. I showed you.
That was it.
I remember when I lived in Orlando, we had to hide, or you probably, if you were there, Hurricane Charlie, we hid in the bathtubs and we put mattresses on the windows.
Dude, every
Crazy.
hurricane, they say it's the one that's gonna, destroy everything, and like everyone should leave for the hurricane. Nothing ever happens. 2 years ago, I left to Tennessee. It's an 11-hour drive. It took us 25 hours to get there because all of Florida was leaving. And then on the way back, we were like, you know what? Let's take an extra week and come back after all of Florida comes back. Nope. All of Florida took an extra week. It took us like 30 hours to do an 11-hour ride.
Damn.
You have no idea. And I did it with my kids. I was like, no, you know what? Fuck that. Next hurricane, if this building falls over, I'm gonna be over here. I'm just gonna chill by the pool. Because this is getting ridiculous. I always come back and there's just people chilling at the pool, being like, "So how was your hurricane? How'd you spend your hurricane?" Like,
Yo, what's the deal in August? Is it still hurricane season? Should I be scared? I'm scared of hurricanes, bro.
no, it's hurricane
Obviously.
season
Who's not?
from April till November to October. That's hurricane season.
Andre, you in hurricane
Jesus,
season.
bro. I'm gonna be
Yeah.
down.
It's okay.
bad.
You're gonna be
it's
driving
not
in a
always-
hurricane though. Ah.
If you don't like the weather in Florida, all you gotta do is wait 15 minutes. That's what
And
they
it
say.
changes.
Or
you're saying?
hurricane.
Every 15 minutes. Like, you're either gonna get rain or sun or both. Like, you see all these clouds behind me? It was like this yesterday, and then like by like 11:30 it was all sunny. People were on the beach, and by like 2 it was like hailing and thunderstorming and like flash floods. It was crazy.
Flash floods.
Yeah, we get those. Like, you'll be walking, like, I got a bridge that leads out of the island that I'm on, and that bridge was overflow. Like, there were fish on top of that bridge.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's wild. That's wild.
Crazy.
It's something like South Beach. Like, you go to South Beach when it flash floods, like, you'll see fish on the beach. You'll see fish like on like Ocean Drive. It's funny.
That's insane.
Yo, A-Balls and Mr. Professor. Yeah, I just explained my range 2 breakouts on buys if I were to take them, right? So yeah, it's gonna be above 153, 166 because now that you form support, now that we're breaking out this range, like we're not focused on this range anymore. This range is irrelevant now. That's range 1. This is a range 2. Buys above here, range 3 to continue up towards 153, 450. It's not bad at all. Yeah. Right? We didn't have that this morning, but now that we form resistance and then you form support here, this is now a range. You break out, you close above, you look for buys going up to fill this range. It's not bad.
You don't associate fake outs with range 2 breakouts. then,
No,
right?
only range 1. Yeah, because like, yeah, only
What
range
are the
1.
chances of a fake out happening here? You know what I mean? Like, a lot less than on the range 1.
A lot less, just because like you can say like this is like your retest now, like this area here, this is the retest, this is a, so like if we were to fake out, this kind of here would have came down into this range to break back, but now that we're breaking here, it's more of like it's like pressure's falling structure now. Yeah, so we break above here, close above, you just continue up. But it's a lot less than range 1. Yeah, it's a lot less probability was to get in fake out going against the daily trend. And chat, like I always say, like the only time I go against my daily trend is if we get a range 2 breakout, and this is a range 2 breakout. So we might get buys. You have an hour. You have like 15 minutes left for a closure here. Gold is just not moving. It's at that resistance.
I spaced out for a second. You're talking about GJ. What are you looking for on GJ?
Buys above 153, 166. Range 2 breakouts.
Range 2 breakouts. Makes sense. What's the daily look like on GJ?
It's bearish. Well, right now it's bullish, but previous count was bearish. Is what I'm trying to say. 4 hours bullish. 1 hour is bullish, obviously. Weekly is bearish. But yeah.
What do you think of? I think someone said in the chat, you might have missed it. He was saying that a daily candle, if it closes back bullish, it would kind of be like a daily fake out back in the range. And the monthly candle also tapped a monthly support, so it could be kind of like a long-term bullish outlook. What do you think?
I mean, yeah. If we close back in the range today, I'll look for buys tomorrow. Going up to fill like 153. 715. Yeah.
Yeah,
That'll be a fake on a daily, but
that's a pretty good eye.
weekly will then be flip bullish as well. Because overall, we're in a bullish trend. Overall,
Could be a weekly seller play too. If we flip bullish, it's the high is not too far away.
yeah. So yeah, I think Jay said that earlier, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, perhaps, yeah. But we actually have it closed today, and that's in about 9 hours and 14 minutes. It's not a long time.
This closure above 166 would also be this current daily breaking highs, 8 a.m. volume. It's got a lot of confluence.
Yep. Also 1 hour fake if you look at it too. Yep. I'll be very comfortable taking buys there. By any given point, we still drive down, right? Especially below 152, 912. So, gold here, gold. Rejected that resistance, never closed above, no buys yet. Breaking 1 hour 30-minute lows here.
Yeah, looking like this hourly may close
Bearish.
may close bearish.
Yep. That's why I stayed out 30-minute starter play as well, right? I said how I would have taken it if the 1 hour closed above, but since the 1 hour closed below, we can flip at any point. And now we're flipping. So that's why I did not get in the starter play in that situation. A lot of things come to play, man. A lot of things come to play. Use 2K to make 30K and now back to 2K after increasing lot size. Well, that was a problem. You used 2K to make 30K. That was the original problem, right? If you didn't use 2K to make 30K, you wouldn't have been in this situation. If you use 2K to make 2.2K, cool. Or 2K to make 2.2K. Is that 2%? No. It's not. It's a lot more. But you know, like if you didn't aim for 30K or anything high like that, then you'd be in a much better situation, because like I want to say those are bad profits, but I want to say you don't understand the difference between the two. You don't want to open an account just to say that you want to flip the account. It's never gonna go well, because your focus is on flipping that account. You're actually focused on the trades you're taking, or the risk that you're actually using. Try to stick to a plan that's sustainable, man. Like whatever it is, like it can be 1%, 2%, 3%, who knows? It can be 50%. But if you think you can make 50% every day, by all means, go ahead, right? But make sure something's sustainable that you can do over a long period of time, not just for a week or 2 weeks. Like I'm saying like a year plus of consistency, right? Here's the thing though. Here's what bad profits are. See how you made 2K to 30K? You flipped 2K to 30K in X amount of days. Now you're thinking to yourself that you can do it again. You do it again, you chase that position, you chase that 30K account again, and you're gonna get blown, because you're just chasing that loss of yours from 30K back to 2K, right? And the reason why you're chasing it now is because you made it in the first place. That's why it's considered bad profits. Is that a good question? What's up? What's the question?
You said, what would you consider your edge to be?
What does that mean?
Like, what's your? He's basically saying, he's basically asking what your strategy is. He's saying, why is your strategy not like better than 50-50? What makes your strategy profitable? Like that's basically what he's saying.
Because we get put in situations where we don't have to predict and guess where the markets are going. We go off of just probability, and we have like the reasonings to every why in the book of whys in every single thing that we do, every little detail. As simple as drawing a line on your screen to simply waiting for a closure. We understand the reasons behind that, and we're not just saying price will go down, price will go up, price will flip here, price will reverse here, and that will decrease a lot of ego, which will give you a huge edge in the markets. I'm not here to focus to make 1,000 pips every day, make X and X amount every day. I'm here simply just to follow the market's bias for that given day, follow the trend.
How about sample size? Like
catching
Don's
my
got a
piece.
ridiculous sample size for the trades that he takes. Like same trade over and over, and he knows how it does, how it doesn't.
I was just gonna say your edge is that you have like what 4, 5, 6 trade setups, and you do the same shit every single day. And his edge is that they're all high probability setups, and he just waits for them every day, and that's it. He's not greedy either, you know?
Yeah, I'm not. Yeah, like I have and what I mean by it when I say it, I do the same shit every day. It's not I make profits every day, chat. What I mean by that is I'm looking for the same exact trades every day. It's just copy and paste every day. Copy and paste from yesterday. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. Game blown doesn't sound so bad actually. Hey man, do you boo? If you like getting blown, you like getting blown. Shit.
Yeah, I heard you say that earlier, and I made a funny face. I was saying if anyone caught that.
I know people caught that. Chat's so weird. Chat. Hurricane hit me now? Damn, hurricane. Fuck. I'm from Toronto, man. We get snowstorms. Which is actually pretty scary sometimes. If it isn't done, I'm waiting for it wait to be formed vote. Yes, sir. Shimmy. What is the one thing that you believe separates you from majority of traders? Is how I took the question. Discipline. Or the strategy alone. Yeah, going back to what you said. Sample size. We literally sample size everything that we do.
Like, you know what works, what doesn't. We've tried it, you know?
Yeah, and we're still gonna continue to try. Like this strategy, like it's not some final, you know, Super Saiyan 20 final formation. It's like there's always like different levels to the shit, and the same strategy I've had last year as well. The only thing different that I did this year was add more onto it. Range 1 fake outs, range 2, you know, like stuff like this. No bottom wicks on bullish on bottom bullish candles. No top wicks on closures, you know. So a lot of shit we add this year, and all that took was just to take a couple losses. We learned from them. Yeah, now we're avoiding more losses. What's up?
Did you see W Only's comment? He needs, man needs to chill.
what the fuck, bro? Yo.
Bro, you can't be saying shit like that, bro. That's too much. That's way too much, like, bro.
This level's being sus, but you just crossed the border of being sus. Like you know.
Jesus Christ, that was the most sus thing I've ever heard in my life.
Your thoughts on average 65% win rate during 6-month period? That's pretty good. That's a good start. You're obviously gonna get better over time. It's gonna then become a 70, then a 75, then an 80. But we'll get better over time. Yeah. You just gotta tweak some small things. I'm here to have some fun. Uh-oh, chat. We got 5 minutes left for a closure on GJ, and gold looks like it's chalked. We have 80 M volume here though. Let's see what happens. If we close Doja here, what do you think, Andre? I'm thinking a 30-minute start play.
Just because of all those wicks, I think I'm gonna wait for a closure now. And I guess I already shot one of my bullets, so my last one I want to be a good one. I don't want to take a 30-minute celery play and then maybe get break even or something like that, just because of like the high volume.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait for a closure above there. Yesterday I waited like 3.5 hours for a closure above 1810 and then like finally got it and executed. So I'm just gonna try and do the same thing now after taking that first entry early. Five minutes is a lot of time. We could just push all the way up on this and flip on this 30, even though we disrespected previous 30-minute lows, and make a big push and get a closure above. Who knows?
I think as long as you close above here, it's still valid. Respecting that support stuff, right? So I mean, depends on how the hourly closes at the end of the day.
You'd rather take GJ buys or gold buys?
Gold buys
on the 30 minute salary play. Gold buys rather than a closure above on GJ.
I'd rather get a closure above on gold. on gold buys.
You can't have everything now.
Yeah, but you can't wait for everything.
Yes.
You
Nice.
can't have
Okay.
everything, chat, but you can wait for everything, which means you will miss out on a lot of opportunities for what you want. Which means sometimes that even if you wait for all that you want, you can still take a loss. Which means you did not waste your time. Which means you just stuck to a plan.
What? What did you say?
Yeah, Marcos, bro.
What the fuck?
Where's Tara Hempson? Not doing timestamps. I'm playing.
That dude said I ain't getting paid.
Hey, I don't know. I don't know where he at. I don't know. He has work and stuff. He's been busy. My God, he throwed him. I'm playing.
That shit was funny. Not doing timestamps.
I don't know. I feel like timestamps, like no timestamps are better though, because we have
That's
a weekly recap anyways. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't like having timestamps on your every video?
You want to do?
This dude said fuck the viewer.
Does anyone in the chat want to do it for me? Give me a message on Instagram if you want to do timestamps for the Troy FX streams. Crickets.
No, I'm sure someone will want to do it.
Yeah, someone for
Yeah,
sure
for
want to
sure.
do it. Yeah.
This is what I learned. You learn this in life. If you want to grow, you want to grow your network, you want to get a mentor. The way to do it, and if you don't want to pay them money, you exchange value. So you provide value to someone that's 10x your net worth or more. They provide value back. You scratch my back, I scratch yours. I'm just saying, if you want to do the timestamps, maybe Don will butter up a little bit and be like, this guy did timestamps for me for like 3 months. That's crazy. You know what? I need to scratch this guy's back. I'm gonna give him a little golden nugget that no one else knows. You never know. You know what I mean? That's how you grow in business. I promise.
Yes.
We got Gary Vee in the building. Woohoo! Yes,
Right, I feel like that was like a large percentage of my come up when I first started, just like with my career, was I was willing to scratch anyone's back, and I did not care what it made me look like.
Tell him about the shoelace story after.
The what
I
story?
don't know if Chad's ready for that story. All right, I'll tell the story. I don't give a shit.
was quick.
People are
That
gonna,
was
Go ahead.
people are gonna judge me. People have already been judging me all day long in my gold trade. It's all right. All right. So I had this business mentor that whenever you buy a pair of Yeezys, you know how they come dead stock tied with like the loop. It's not a traditional way to tie your shoes. It's like a dead stock tie is what I'll call it. And he was extremely he was just wealthy, and he was super impatient, and he didn't know how to tie his shoe the dead stock style. So he would always be like, Dre, I'll give you $50 if you tie my shoe the dead stock style. So that at any point in time I need my shoe tied, I'll give you $50 to do it. Right now, morally, there were some people that would be like, yo, you tied this boy's shoe for $50, like what's wrong with you? But in the end, I knew that if I tied this dude's shoe, if I was there to help him out, if I was there to do whatever for him, that it would give me an in with him, and then it would then give me different opportunities, right? Like tying his shoe was not what I wanted to do for my life, but at the end of the day, I knew tying his shoe would get me in the door. Timestamps may get you in the door with something else. That's basically long story short. And then honestly, it played out tremendously for me. It helped me out a lot. It financially put me in a different situation. This dude owned a bunch of driving services in California, where he had like a black car service where he would have like a black car that would pick up like rich IT guys and would bring them to vineyards and strip clubs and all these different things within like the poppin' areas of Cali, and it did really, really, really well for him. Now, obviously, I had to fucking tie his shoe, and I made $50 on it. But at the end of the day, it was my in with him to grow and be in a different position than I was, because I was down bad. I was broke. I didn't have any money. I didn't have shit going on.
It's a W.
And that's a shoe story.
That's a true story. I know there's a lot of cringe out there. People are like, yo, I would never tie someone's shoe for $50.
Bro, I'd tie someone's shoe for $50, even if I had a lot of shit going on.
Yeah, there you go, Reza. There you go, bro.
What? It takes you like 45 seconds, and you made $50 off that.
$50.
Minimum wage is like 14. Like over here, it's like $14 an hour.
Yeah.
So like, was he just lazy? That's why he just told you to tie his shoe.
Super lazy.
It was just too
super
rich.
lazy.
It was just
But
too rich.
super wealthy, right? And I feel like once you monetarily break some number, and it's different for other people, like for him it was, let's say it was 60K a month. Once he started making like 60K a month, his attitude towards other things changed drastically. Like in money, people always say, oh, money won't change me. Bullshit. Money changes everybody. It is part of life.
If it's not changing you, then you're not making enough.
Yeah, exactly. And like it just changed him in that certain way, and I saw the opportunity to like take a hold of that, right? Like I wasn't gonna be like, oh, I'm not tying this dude's shoe, like I'm too good for that. I was like, yo, I gotta tie this boy's shoe, and obviously make $50 real quick, but at the same time, like build his trust, build a sense of camaraderie with him, so that he can bring me into. And so Alexander Bell just said maybe he was testing me. He was definitely testing me, because it's like, who wants to tie someone else's shoe, you know? But the test, I passed the test, and then it worked out for me. Yeah, I started working for him full time.
W.
Would you have to like commute to him to tie his shoe, or were you just like around him?
Nah, it was just, I mean, he was my boy. He was like one of my good friends too. So we'd be chilling, getting ready to go out, and his shoe would come untied and be like, Dre, please tie my shoe, you know? And like Marco said, this is all spawning off Marco saying, scratch someone's back because they'll scratch yours later. That shit was like monumental for me in my ability to like have the come up, you know? Like I was struggling to find a come up. I couldn't find a come up anywhere. I was just struggling to make it. And that was like something that kind of like propelled me. It was like a catalyst for that.
Sick, that's sick. This is a good story.
It's a little, I feel like it's a little embarrassing sometimes because people are like, yo, you were tying people's shoes, but it was just one person's shoe.
No, I feel like it's like more humbling than embarrassing. It kind of shows that you don't have the ego, you know? Like to me, like definitely. When you said that, I was more impressed than like, oh, whoa, what the hell? This guy lowered himself.
Tying shoes for the come up.
The fact that
like imagine how good the story is gonna be, and like when you like really make it, and you're like, yo, I started off tying shoes.
Yeah. 100%. I think the dude was testing me a little bit. Like Bello said.
Chat.
Gold might just pop.
You have a 1 hour start play here. Very soon here. Price has closed, respecting that support. 1 hour might pop up here with the 8 AM volume here. Not looking bad with the way that bearish channel closed as well.
Taking
GJ,
no?
yeah, I'm looking. GJ 1 hour start play as well. They both have the same setup.
Ooh, there it goes.
I mean, I have nothing on my screen or like nothing like on my
no buy stops.
I have no biases in or anything. Yeah, it happened like just now. But how big are stops? I gotta see. 21 pips.
Ain't bad.
For 36 pips. I think I'm gonna wait for a closure. It's only been 4 minutes. I think I'm gonna wait for a closure, chat. You do have volume, but I think I'm gonna wait for a closure. I'll be way more comfortable waiting for a closure here than start play. Going up on 1 hour time
just
frame.
Because break down why.
Just cause like the 1 hour candle just close like again like below that resistance, right? Like below there. If it closed above, 1 hour start play wouldn't be bad at all. But it closed below, same as last candle. I don't want to be in a situation where we break the highs and just come back respecting that resistance again. So, but the probability of us going up this time is a little higher due to the fact that we have the ADM volume.
Yes.
But I don't want to play stupid games to win stupid prizes.
Wait, say that again?
I don't want to play stupid games to win stupid prizes.
Ooh.
Like bad profits,
Damn.
you know? Yeah. Yeah.
That's fire. I like that.
Never heard that.
Nah.
It's a good one.
That's good.
It's like bad profits very much. Like good profits with bad profits. Same situation. Yeah, chat.
Like it wants to pop here.
The fact said Jesus washed people's feet. What should I say? He did, man.
Shit.
Yeah, I'm waiting for the first 15 closer. Yeah. Minimum. You have a lot of time left in this hourly candle, chat.
It's true.
Patience.
Fuck, there's volume.
Yeah, see how many times we have rejected here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you close, you can avoid all of that. It's like cool. We close above, we should be good. But taking a starter play in this situation, it's just because you have a lot of rejections there in the past. If we never close above, it's gonna be a bit iffy.
Ooh.
Iffy. What happened to the music? This is no volume music. Which is nuts.
This is no volume music.
You know what sucks? The fact that at the end of the year, my Spotify account will show this is my top like played music. And I play it on stream only. You know how Spotify shows you like your top playlist at the end of the year? Top play songs, top artists. It's gonna show Harris Heller. And not my actual real music.
First world problems.
Yeah.
Like what?
For real. What do you consider overtrading? I already took 2 wins in Asia, total of 60 pips. Should I take another one? Oh, he's asking you, Andre.
I think I always go by different sessions. So if it's like a different session that I'm currently in, then I would take a trade. What's wrong?
Look what W's only said. Oh my god, bro. I swear to God.
Oh god.
Yo. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. Anyways,
I think I'm gonna put buy stops here on the re-break of the high. I think if we come up to re-break this current candle high, like we had the celery play, I'll feel comfortable taking the re-break here.
Man, I would have been activated there if I were to get in on that 1 hour starter play.
Yeah, we talk about it sometimes how we can break previous highs for the celery and then kind of retrace and come down and then re-break the highs again. It's a extra confirmation maybe, but
Yeah,
looks like price is gonna just break the high and reject there again.
Yep, chat. Yep. Rosa from Australia. My mate got attacked by a shark yesterday. 3-meter great shark. Wow.
Damn.
That's insane. He's okay?
Did he punch it in the face?
3 meter. How long is 3 meters? 3 meters is like
9 feet, pretty much, right?
that's pretty
That's
big.
huge.
That's yeah. It's not the biggest shark, but that's decent
That ain't big.
for a shark. I think sharks are bigger, aren't they?
9 feet. I don't know.
3 meters. Sharks are usually like what?
9 feet's huge. That thing's
Some
Yao
sharks
Ming
are like
and some.
17 meters. You know?
Meters.
Yeah.
Cap.
Yeah. Sharks are way bigger than 3 meters.
Nah,
Am I
man.
tripping?
Bro, a whale shark is that big.
Nah, man. A 3-meter shark is like a
You said
little baby
17.
shark. Yeah.
Biggest great white shark is 6 meters. So
Huh?
you said 17 meters, bro.
It says
You're
50
crazy.
Look.
Yeah, 3 meters is massive. $17 This dude's talking about dinosaurs.
Wait, where's the? I just post. How did I post this picture up?
Just type in biggest great white shark.
I saw this. Is this 17.9 meters? Is this not 17.9 meters for a big shark? A small female is like 4.5. Like, this is a small, 3 meters. This is a small female. I swear 3 meters is small for a shark. 17, chat, not 70. 17, relax.
Bro, 17 is like a whale.
Yeah, but like even it says here like a small mature female is like 4.9 meters or 4.7 meters.
17 meters is a building. Straight up.
I mean,
Can you
at the end of the day, bro, whatever
the
shark it
great white
is,
shark,
I would
17
shit my pants, you know.
Bro, I saw a 17-meter great white shark. Pass out. Bro.
Wait, for real? But
Bro, 17.
How come-
Imagine a great white
what is
shark the
this
size of a
then?
whale, bro.
is this meters? Is this M not mean meters? Like this is meters.
It's like a 5-floor building or something.
That's crazy.
Yeah, 20-meter shark. Yeah, man. This is like 5. This is a baby shark. Chat, I know I'm not tripping. Oh, Andre, what are you thinking here? We are re-breaking the highs here, talking about sharks. What are you thinking here? What's going on? What's going on that head of yours? Oh, re-breaking the highs.
Oh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna stay out, man. I think I'm gonna stay out.
Yeah, we have about what 4 minutes left for a 15-minute closure here. So if you get that closure here, chat, I will be in a position. We have 3 minutes left. All right, be patient. Be patient. Patient.
Oh, this is gone. This is pushing. There's
5 minutes,
3
everybody.
minutes left in this 15-minute, man. I don't know.
Watch
This is an interesting situation, Don. I don't feel like we normally take a celery play with like 1, 2, 3, 4 rejections previous to the candle break that we're about to take. 4 or 5. That's
unless like a high
much.
time frame closed above, but the 1 hour didn't, right?
yeah.
So yeah, I wouldn't take this position. Sorry, play exactly. Damn. Chat. If the animal's bigger than you, then it's big. Have you ever seen a giraffe in real life? Why are you guys laughing? Isn't it a long neck, like a long neck giraffe?
Yeah, you want to hear some funny shit?
What?
I was standing in line for something, and this little girl, she had to be like 4 years old. She looks up at me and she goes, "You got a giraffe neck." I was like, "Oh, fuck you, little girl, talking shit."
Yo, she got a giraffe neck. Yo, that's funny, man.
Oh shit.
Kids
Are so honest.
you got a giraffe neck.
It's like, damn.
What'd you say? You say anything? You're like, oh, thanks.
Yo, I burst out in laughter and I looked at her. I was like, "Yo, you're right. I do got a giraffe neck."
Oh, that's funny, bro. That's funny. That's funny.
Gotta laugh at yourself. Gotta.
Yeah, but yo, some people can't take that joke from a kid. They get offended.
Yeah. Now, if someone in chat said I had a giraffe neck, I'm banning the shit out of you real quick. Ain't no love here.
Nothing wrong with having a giraffe neck. It makes you look tall.
Bro, I am tall.
You ever seen that guy, that skinny dude? Oh, we're closing about 10 seconds here, chat. Let's see. Lock in.
work.
Yeah. 30 seconds left for closure here. Let's see what happens. Can we pop off or can we reject? Find out in the next episode of Waiting for Gold to Close Above.
Oh my god.
Yo,
there's so
what
much volume.
just happened? This thing went up now.
Bro, the volume.
Yeah, we're gonna close below, I believe here. I hope we go close below so I can wait for a 30-minute closure here. Yeah, cool. Close below. Perfect. No trade here. Now we gotta wait for a 30-minute count, which is a lot cleaner than the 15. All right, chat. Be careful if you're looking for a bias here. Just kind of has no ball and wick as well. It's kind of should reject there. But yeah. No positions. Wow, that was insane volume. Right, chat. But yeah, I see how it's so important to wait till the final seconds and never like just guess that we're gonna close above. That's not confirmed.
Oh yeah, it's gone.
Are you sure? Tower being created.
It just smacked to the break of the eyes. And then just smacked back down.
Came up 18 pips from the opening.
Yo, from the 1 hour start play, it never broke the lows, right? Or 30-minute start play, it never broke the lows.
Nope.
Damn, came close though.
Yeah, honestly, I got in on that.
What are you, break even now or something?
Nah.
You did not get in there.
Yeah, no, I did get it, and then it came back down to break even.
On the hourly, sorry.
No wonder you're so quiet.
Yeah.
Oh, a little quiet boy.
I ended up getting like 2 pips break even.
Jeez.
Because it came up like 7, and then I moved to break even, and then it came right back down.
Wow, we closed right below last second.
Yeah,
That was insane.
don't worry, if you had FOMO, you would have broke even. Promise.
Well,
Maybe not Don. Don would hold full.
honestly, the funniest stream ever. So yeah, man, we have everything here. We have the laughs, the seriousness, meditation, all that good stuff. Spread the
like
word.
the stream, man. Like the stream.
You come in here, you kill like 2.5 hours of your time every day, just chilling, and potentially making profits. Guys, I'm not in. By the way, I'm not in. Those are asking if I'm in. I'm not. I never got a closure above that range there, and I was not willing to take a 30-minute start replay in this situation. But GJ looks clean here. Looks lovely here. If you can break back into the range, so you might get some sells on GJ perhaps on this next 30-minute candle in 12 minutes here. It's a 50 pip range on GJ. Wow, that's a 50 pip range. This 15 might flip here. It has no bottom wick. Still respecting that resistance, which means the 30-minute closure above will give us a wick fill. But we have 10 minutes left. That's a long time. Are you Filipino? No, I'm not. I am Viet. Born in Toronto. The last time? Let's go. What's up, man? On a GJ sub right now? Nice. How'd you get in? Yeah, 450 viewers.
There's kind of like a little onion on GJ.
Bro, we're almost at 500 viewers.
Bye.
Yeah, onion on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah. We got resistance there. Came down to retest the lows. Are you looking to trade GJ today, Marcos?
If it's clean, nice like closure below 152,900 would be nice. GJ treated me well yesterday. So
Oh, look at gold. 15 has a bottom wick now.
gold's funny. What did that sell? Did it get 10 or no? I don't
Respected.
even think it got 10.
I don't even think. I think I got 9 or something.
You got? Oh no, yeah, I got
You
12.
got 13, yeah.
Yeah, 12. You got to be quick though. Like, ooh, GJ celery play.
Is it Don or Don? It's Don. DAWN.
DUNN.
No, it's Don. DON.
DONE done.
Entry was 153.03. 153.03. Where was that? Was that just
15?
Oh, 15 break of the
lows.
lows. Okay, I see. I see you.
Respect. Gotta respect
TP
it.
15260. 15260 is down here. Nice. Stop loss was 15315. Nice. Yeah, you entered off the 15-minute candle. I can tell. Yep. Nice. That's a good trade. Stop's really what? How big for you? 6 pip stop loss for around 30 pip TP.
What are you listening to?
Manifestation.
Fuck you.
Yeah, asking for a quote of the day. Quote of the day for the stream.
The moment of truth. Hurry up.
Mike slow. My bad. Look at gold. Oh wow, guys.
Ooh.
Ooh. Who here to got impulse positions there? Oh no, naughty.
She said she's gotta think about it, and then we'll get a quote.
Think about it. Can't think about it. You just got it hasn't come out. It just hasn't got come out. You can't think about it. Wow.
All right, I got it. All right, chat. It's not about the when and the how. It's just about knowing that you will. All right, guys.
Okay.
Patience.
It's not about the when and how. It's knowing that you will.
Yeah. Patience. Yo, chat. What do you think? Feedback.
I'll quote.
They're like, "Fuck that."
Yo, I think chat loves it. Chat loves it. They definitely
Chat's
love
like, I want to flip my account. Shut up.
it.
Someone said W quote. Someone said write that down. Write that down. Yo, Nuke, you know how to spell? Bro, you wrote the wrong right.
Write that down. Write that down. Hey, can we just talk about how gold just came up, came down, rebroke the lows on the hourly, and then now it's coming back up. Hey man, all I know is that we didn't get a closure above, so we avoid all this mess here, right? We avoid all this mess here. I know someone in here took maybe 2 trades in that situation just now. Two trades in that situation. Don't lie to me. FOMO fingers are kicking in for you guys. They're tapping in. The FOMO gods are calling.
Gold stop loss is gonna be like 30 something pips if you get it.
Yeah, which is fine. Yeah, 27 pips is fine for me. As long as it doesn't pass like 4 pips for a 1-1 RR, I should be goody on the 3rd-minute closure. Chat, if you guys haven't done so yet, make sure you guys go leave a like, subscribe to the channel. On a road to 10K subs for the year. Yeah, I think Juju looks a lot cleaner in gold. Juju looks a lot cleaner in gold. Yeah. Off the 15 as well. 1 hour close bearish at resistance, 15-minute close bearish. Yeah, the trade made a lot of sense to come down. Yeah. Do you ever enter off the 5-minute? No, not really. No, unless like we have crazy, like the last time I traded 5-minute time frame was like when a 5-minute candle was like 60 pips when it was super volatile. That's the only time, because I can't use the 15-minute stops, right? I gotta use the 5-minute stops. So yeah, other than that, no, not really. This music is chilling. It's called a groove. Our hairstyler, W Music. Six minutes left.
Gold's being whacked today.
Aside from gold, I think we did a good job with GJ today. Avoiding fake outs and then not taking any buys because we never closed above that range. You know, so pretty clean how we did today. If we come back into the range, that'll be a cherry on top because we just stuck to like. Well, we stuck to our plan.
We'll say your gold resistance was on point. I know earlier you thought of your resistance could be wrong, but turned out to be perfect. Still struggling right there.
Good observation.
Yeah,
for sure.
Yeah, I said like how like even if this is wrong and we do go up, like it doesn't matter because this is where I'll draw next time as well. So
always learning.
Comes down to that. Gold's like my ex, she just won't go down. Marcus, do you still drink morning pre-feel or no?
No, I've been on my coffee grind for the past few months.
Coffee grind
every morning. Honestly, twice a day. Like an old man. I'm trying to learn to drink in black, but we're working on it. What about you?
What about me?
What's your morning liquid of choice?
Water.
Lame.
Yeah, I mean, I drink like I usually drink like the pre stuff, but lately I haven't. I don't know if I've been crashing in the afternoon. Maybe I've been putting too much, or maybe I'm just tired. Like, I don't know. It's just I'm also very lazy to go downstairs to get as well. So I drink kind of water in the morning. Water is the best thing, best liquid we can drink. Chat, don't be weird. Don't be. I see it coming. Is it possible to sell GJ but buy GU, or is it recommended to take the same direction since they are almost the same pair? Well, sometimes the dollar could be driving GU and the yen could be driving GJ, right? So don't look at it from that perspective. Just stick to whatever your analysis says. You might sometimes get conflicted by that, but obviously it's very important to stick to your overall original plan for those two trades or those two pairs. And it might be different. Like US30 and gold, sometimes they move together. They're supposed to correlate, aren't they? But they don't always correlate. Sometimes they move together. But when news comes, yes, that's when you'll see them move together. When news or correlate from each other. When news drops, it'll show the real direction of where price is actually gonna go with the news. Wow, look at gold, man. 2 minutes left.
Might have to wait till 9 for anything.
Yeah, I don't want to wait till 9 though. Okay, I don't know if I'll be trained by 9. Let's see. Let's see if they're making so close below here. We got 2 minutes left for gold and GJ. Both pairs. I'd love to take gold going up on a 30-minute closure. I'll love it. We might get it. A minute and a half here, chat.
Oof. Let's go on the 15 as well.
Is there news coming out? Yeah, 10 a.m. Minor news, I think. Oh, mediocre. Job opening because they're expecting good numbers for job openings at 10 a.m. But I don't think I'll be on until 10 a.m. So it wouldn't really affect me. FOMC, yeah, but it's FOMC meeting. It's not actual FOMC, right? So it's not like the typical like you'll see a spike at 2 and then there's a meeting after to talk about the upcoming events for the economy. It's more of just like a meeting. I don't know. I'm not sure what they talk about. Last time they talked about what? The virus or something? Right, Marcos? Andre, you guys there last time? You guys
Yeah,
watched
they
the
were
speech?
just talking about China and viruses, and I was like, this is boring.
Yeah, it was. Me and Marcos were down bad.
Yeah, we were down. We were down horrendous.
We were down horrendous. Let's lock this in, right? 30-minute closure above.
30 seconds left, yes.
I'm honestly gonna wait for an hourly now that I'm looking at this.
I already broke the 1 hour starter play. Does that add any type of
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this hourly to close, just because we broke the highs and the lows of this hourly candle.
I'll be fine taking this.
I'll be your cheerleader from the sidelines.
So if you get a closure.
Tops are going to be previous 30-minute lows, chat. So, but we need a lower wick here before I enter. Stops going to be here. TP is up here. So be quick with your fingers, all right? Because it might just be a quick.
Bottom wick and then bow.
Oh, bottom wick. Oh, bottom wick. Can we activate?
You got buy stops here? Where you at?
I'm gonna place a buy stop right here actually on the break of that high, the current candle high.
Nice.
So I'm gonna place a buy stop right here, chat. This is the trade here is that the 30-minute close above this range for the first time. Do one of these counts to the left or couldn't do. I believe once you flip bullish here, you should be in. This is the low that's being created right now as we had no bottom wick. So once you flip bullish, I'll be in a position. Stops gonna be the previous 30-minute lows for TP up here at 1812.380. It might be quick once you break the high, so be very, quick with move starts to break even, because we'll move starts to break even around, I want to say like 6 pips here, around like 1809.400, and then around 10 pips like here, we'll look to close our positions half and leave a runner towards 1812. I'm telling you guys now so you guys can prepare for it. It's gonna be a quick push. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh. A pip away. Not even. Right there.
Single pip.
Did you get activated done or no?
No. It's like right there though.
You know how MT Vive, when you have a buy stop,
right.
we're like, oh,
Huh?
I'm gonna stop talking so you can clip this when you enter.
Oh my god, clip. Our guys are in position now. Oh my
Yeah.
god, I just want to break it. So I'm just looking at my thing, it's so close. Yeah. On MT5, it shows 1880.80. That's my buy stop. On MT5. 1808.81ish, around there.
I like love these buy stop positions or sell stop positions. Like a candle closes, the next one opens and creates a bottom wick, and then you have the buy stop at the flip.
Mm-hmm.
Perfecto.
Wow. Come on, activate my stuff, man.
Macaroni, you taking this?
Oh, I'm taking it. Wait. When did I get this nickname? What is it
Do you like macaroni? Is it all right if I call you that?
I don't care what you call me.
Okay,
Call me
daddy.
whatever you want.
I love seeing everyone's faces in the Zoom after we get sus. Like Michael just now was like shaking his head,
Faces.
like, oh Jesus.
Oh, in the Zoom. Come on, in 1880.88. Work the highs. Here. There you go. So FX. Is that Pop Smoke? Who? Who's Pop Smoke? Chat, I didn't get activated. It came so close. What's now? You in this?
I took a L on the. I got activated and I closed out.
Where's the buy stop on yours?
Right above its spread activated me.
Spreads are like 1.8, 2 pips now. Here. Let's see. We didn't break the 1 hour lows yet, chat. We can still flip here. My biases are still in. It's not activated yet, but still intact. It's still there. Let's see. Once you break the 30-minute lows, if you break the 30-minute lows, I'll look to delete the buy stop. And did you sell broke the lows? Did you sell broke lows? Really? How did 30-minute close? When I broke lows, yeah, I see. They never really closed below yet, though. However, the 4 hours unclosed in above. You have some conflict now with the sells, though. The 4 hours unclosed bullish, perhaps, on GJ, and the 1 hour might close below. So, higher time for shows bullish, but daily shows bearish. Get the bit. Just got to go after that. Could we flip? Marcus, you got buy stops?
Yeah.
Nice.
What is this? The Haitian president got assassinated. I saw Sharif said something. Someone else just said it.
Really?
It's very scary.
Damn. Attack on his residence? That's kind of... That's kind of scary, bro. That's really scary. And First Lady has been... Damn. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Yo, read the read this comment here. FX believe.
This is liquidity grab. The 10-year bonds are falling, so gold should take off to the upside. Hey, I mean, yeah, I mean, this could be liquidity grab. Yeah, you're right. It could be liquidity grab. Yeah.
10-year bonds are falling.
I mean, yeah. That's so.
Gotta hit him with the interesante.
Interessante. Yes, interessante. Hey, Andre, do you mind saying that one more time?
Interesante. Interesante.
Okay, cool.
Hey, hey, hey.
We're gonna make it a sound. If someone asks a weird question in the future, we're gonna say
Interesante.
yeah, chat. My boss is still in here. I didn't get activated yet, but looking to see if we can flip to get these buys in, as we didn't break the 30-minute lows yet. But by the looks of it, looks like price wants to drop down. If you break the 30-minute lows, then what I'll wait for is I'm just gonna wait for a 1 hour closure above. What burger are you using? The church domain. Church domain. Oh, my flip. Could flip here. I spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. New 5-minute Korean highs. Gonna flip bearish. Let's see. Ooh, a lot of volume here, man.
Might be fast. You saw what happened at that seller play earlier.
Yeah, this might be quick
Might
chat.
be fast.
How big are current count stops? 26 pips. Our stops are still on my MT5 here at the low of the previous candle low, but I might look to adjust it. Let's see. Let's see.
I will use current candle lows personally.
Smaller stop. Makes sense.
Yeah.
What's your TP for this though?
1812.04.
Nice.
I actually like 1815.08 to be honest. The daily wick fill.
I think I drew my resistance off of the 15-minute time frame, but on the 30 and 1 hour, you have like a resistance right here at 1810. But
I mean, I'm gonna
break
take half
even.
at like 10 to 15 pips anyway, but I like 1815 as a runner target. A little.
How do you get that?
The daily high.
Oh,
daily
I
wick
see.
fill.
Yeah. You can also see 1820. Next 4 hour resistance. If that were to
Yeah.
break.
So if we get activated and we move up, I'll wait and see how it reacts at 1812. Like if it closes like bearish at 1812 or something, then I would close full.
It would be lovely. We get a push here, and then we push up towards close above like 1809 on the 4 hour time frame, and then next 4 hour candle pushes up.
Don, you at all skeptical of it being the last 15 of the 4 hour coming up here?
I mean, if it comes down to that, if it's 15 where it closes bearish here, back in the range, I'm just gonna delete the buy stops, and then wait for the new 9 a.m. candle.
Makes sense. Man, the jams have just been hitting today.
Mm-hmm. I'm looking for gold buys above 1811.56 on gold. Control FX, don't take this low setup. It's very low probability. You said the same thing to me last time I took a trade setup as well. I think it was last. I think it was yesterday.
Yeah, you about to have to leave, bro.
Based on what?
Hey man, if you don't think it's a good trade setup, I think I said the exact same thing to you. Don't take it. If you don't think it is a good trade setup, do not take it. I'm taking it because this is something that I have taken before in the past, and it's something that I've comfortable taking. It makes sense to me with the fact that the third main candle closed above the range here, and daily being bullish, forward being bullish, everything's being bullish here. It makes sense to me. But if you don't see that, you might need to get some sun.
Interesante.
And but you shouldn't be coming in here to saying don't take this, don't take that. Like everyone has their own. Like at the end of the day, I don't care what anyone says. It's not because I think I'm better than them. It's more so because this is ever since I first started trading in the first place, I've only listened to one person, and that was just me. Because I go off my past experience, not other people's experiences, right? So, hey man, but there's you don't need to come here to say don't take this, don't take that. Like I'm still gonna take my trade at the end of the day. And if I get stopped on this trader, I'm still gonna take the same one again because it's a high probability trade, right? But I'm not even in yet, so I'm not even in yet. But hey, ciao bella.
Ciao. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Go 1 minute looks so scary. 1 minute? Yeah, don't look at the 1 minute, man. for any pair, man, don't look at the 1 minute. It's not even worth looking at the 1 minute.
When isn't the 1 minute scary?
Yeah, we have about a minute and a half here. We're close below 1807, which looks like we are. I'm just gonna delete the buy stops and then wait for this next 1 hour candle to close in about 50 minutes.
Jay closing back within range.
GJ?
Yeah.
Yeah, for the sells, yeah. I think I want to wait for the 1 hour candle there because if you look at the 4 hour time frame, it's not close bullish. So you have to be skeptical. I made sure to take yourself finding before 8 a.m. open volume. I used to wake up at 6:30, but I just found myself often waiting until 8. Sometimes I see myself taking trades for 6:30. Like I don't know, it depends. Like Andre this morning had a trade before before 6:30 or at 6:30. I don't know. I think I'll get a lot of trades, a decent amount of trades before 8 a.m. usually, over the past year and a half on streams.
What I think about that too that's important is that like when you're here for like let's say an hour or 2 hours before the 8 a.m. volume kicks in, you get to see candles forming and you just get to see structure and price, and it makes things a little bit more transparent when the volume comes in. Like you've seen things amount to where they're going to be rather than just showing up at 8 o'clock and then just trying to make your zones off that. I think it's a little more difficult.
Yeah. Yep, you get like a little warm up, I guess, like to the markets. Like it's not like you come at 8 and it's like you spend an hour and a half analyzing the markets before, so you're ready for the push at 8 a.m. Whereas if you come at 8 a.m., it's like, I mean, I guess it's the same thing, but I prefer like to come a little ahead. Took 3 L's today. Worst trading day I've ever had. Damn. You heard that, chat? So if you took no trades today, be great. It's better than not taking a loss. But it's alright, man. 3 losses, call it a day, and move on tomorrow and do the same shit tomorrow. All right. Look for the same subs tomorrow. Nothing changes.
Don, how do you feel about GJ hourly back in the range if we close here in 15 minutes? I know the 4 hour is going to close bullish with a decent wick to fill. But if we close on the 4 hour below 152.82, that little support, I may anticipate some GJ sells back in the range.
I really want to sell. If this is if the 4 hours is bearish today and the 1 hour close like this, I would 100% take a position at the 9 a.m. candle coming down to fill the range.
4 hour being bullish, though, you'll probably stay out of the buys.
If the 4 hour closes below, because since the daily time frame is heavily bearish, it'll take over. But if it closes below, yeah, like I said, 152.820, then we should be good for sells. But it's definitely have to clean this on the 4 hour time frame compared to like the 1 hour and daily.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some breakfast. Anyone want anything?
Chat, I'm deleting my buy stops here. Anyone want anything?
You need another frappuccino.
Need like a third latte, please.
Wix 9, you need like a joint.
He's already got one.
All right, I'll get back.
He said he's good.
You didn't ask me what I wanted.
That's messed up.
That is messed up.
That's messed up. That's what you get for saying that you weren't gonna come on the corp call.
Treat you like the redheaded stepchild.
Of the leather.
Oat milk. How's everyone day go today?
It's like gonna be like 1,000 degrees out today, so I'm gonna get some sun.
How's everyone in the chat trained it today? I just do. So far, at least. I took 0 positions. Nothing during Asian, nothing during London. I just came to the charts today and saw nothing. I had a buy stop. Look at that. That was it though.
How do you feel about this 15-minute seller play coming up on gold? No top wick on the opening.
With 4 hours
never
unclosed
mind.
bullish here. Oh no, that's in 12 minutes.
It just
Wow,
started
4 hour
breaking
might
lows.
not even close bullish. It might just close bearish. Or like doji. Patience, thanks for leading by example today. Thank you. No worries, man. Every day we come to the streams, we, do the same shit every day, and we didn't get what we wanted today. This trade here is no different from yesterday's trade, I believe, though. No different. Same exact concept. With the fact that 30 minute close above, we had a buy stop there. Obviously, yesterday we had a buy stop as well, but we had it on the flip of the candle, which was like technically right there as well. But obviously we never flipped and never got activated. $470 people watching. What's going on, chat? Thanks for being here today again. Like a lamb low, a drain from today. Looking at gold. Joseph, Vince, Lai, EFMP, Lonix, Mohammed, FX Sweden, Varun, Samir, Bruno, Poison. Yo, thanks guys for subbing, man. Appreciate you guys for subbing. If you guys haven't subbed, make sure you sub and leave a like on the streams, man. We'll really appreciate it. I took some good picks on oil and GJ today in late Asian, early Europe session. Nice, good stuff. 1 trade Asian session, 17 pips. That's a clean day. 1 trade days are always the cleanest days. 1 trade win days, the best days. Is it going to rise up to 8 and 12? Well, for us to rise up towards 8 and 12, you're definitely gonna need a closure above here on a 1 hour time frame. And also on a 4 hour time frame, we need this kind of close bullish first before we decide that. But I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna move my resistance up towards this resistance now instead. And we need a closure above here now for price to drive up towards 8 and 12. Not great. I struggle with entries. I wait for a candle to close and waiting gets me stuck on my bias and what I'm trying to see, and sometimes can't shake my brain from seeing what it wants to see. Well, here's the thing. You can't think emotionally. You see how you just said how you can't shake your brain from seeing what it wants to see? You don't want to see what your brain wants to see. You want to see and wait for what you want to see. you wait for what you want to see. The moment you get what you want to see, you execute on that. But until then, you don't want to go off of emotions and just take round positions as your emotions telling you to buy and sell because you want to make money for a day. Doesn't make any sense. Long term, that's not the game you want to play. Also, chat, no impulse entries 2021, please. Is it bad trading and never teach anyone? Once you make tons of money of trading, nah, it's not. Nah, you don't gotta teach anyone. You can just trade for yourself. That's the whole point of trading at the end of the day. You trade for yourself, you make money, and you don't gotta talk to anyone or communicate with anyone. A lot of introverts like trading because they don't gotta talk or communicate with anyone. It's just them in the charts.
GJ looks good right now for the
on a 1 hour time frame. Yeah,
need a good top.
That 4 hours kind of. That 4 hour, man.
Very bullish. If you look at the 4 hour though, if you look left, you're at a 4 hour resistance.
Yeah, if you close below there, it should be goody, but. I don't know. That's me, Mr. Introvert. I'm an introvert too, man. Trust me. All right, TikTok, we out of here, man. Catch you guys in live streams.
Okay.
Okay, how many followers you got? 59 followers? Not bad. Yo, I'm slowly growing my TikTok. It's at what, 4K?
Bro, 10K this month.
Slow growth. Not even like trying. On TikTok.
GJ flying.
It made you flying. Oh, flying down.
Flying downwards.
I was like, what? It's crashing. Yeah. And something that will benefit many traders is to plan and visualize the setup that you're waiting for. That way you are prepared to execute with visualization. Yes. That's why I always draw the scenario out, or I always draw the candles out to show that that's what I'm waiting for and that's what I want, right? Like this fake out on GJ today they didn't come by surprise for me. That was my plan for a day. And how did I make that plan of how did I see a fake out coming today? Not because I guessed it with emotions, not because I just wanted to prove everyone wrong. It was more so because we this year worked on how to avoid fake outs, and following the daily trend, this is a range 1 breakout. Hence why we came back into the range after breaking out. So you would avoid this position today if you learn how to avoid fake outs with us on the streams throughout the year so far. It's crazy that we learn these things. We avoided so many fake outs this past year. So many, a shit ton. Cat CHF, how's that pair look? I want to see because someone sent. Is it a fake out though? Someone said Cat CHF, right? Yep, fake out. Came down. Yeah, 1 hour looks very clean on GJ, man. I really want to look for positions on here, but that 4 hour it's gonna close bullish here. And on the 4 hour time frame, by the way it looks here, you see how you have a range here on the 4 hour time frame. You have like a support here, and then you have like a resistance right around here. If you close above that resistance, high chance the next forward candle will continue up to fill the wick. The only thing I'll say here is that the day time frame is bearish, so we can still come down at a given point, but the 4 hour is not looking that clean with the 30-minute time frame. You need both to kind of match up and align. So it all comes down to this last 5 minutes there. Patrick, thanks for subbing, man. Not too long ago, you banned me for saying fake out. I don't think I banned you. Maybe someone else banned you. I'm not sure what happened. How you identify a fake out? Well, it took me a shit ton of time. It took me a lot of time. The last time I took a fake out position was February. It was February 2020. It was this trade right here. This trade right here. I'll show you guys the exact trade because I remember the trade. We clipped it and we saved it, and that was like a life change, not a life change, but like a what I say. It's helping a lot this year. A lot. Where is it? Here. So forward back, we drew out the fake out. Right, I drew out the fake out because I was like, oh, we're bearish today, I'm gonna draw it out. And this is when I was still like back testing this whole fake out thing. I was back testing how to avoid fake outs. So I drew it out, but guess what? I still bit on a fake out. I saw price goes above the range. Oh, that looks so clean. I want to take a buy. I took a buy. Price ended up coming back into the range. So we drew it out, and then it was February 4th, 2021. Yeah, it was around that time. We got caught on a fake out. Price came back in the range after. What I say? Look at this. Remember 2 weeks ago? By the way, this is February 12th. Remember 2 weeks ago when we got caught on a fake out? This is why I always talk about always being a student and always find ways to get better. Well, without that trade we took a loss on, I would have never been able to identify how to catch fake outs, basically. So to this day, that same exact thought process goes on when I avoid fake outs. And how do I avoid fake outs, you may ask? Well, simple. You find a daily trend for a day. Today we're bearish. Look at the daily candle. We're heavily bearish today. Weekly is heavily bearish as well. So with that being said, if you drop down to the 1 hour time frame, a lot of people may see this as a breakout because you see that this is a range. You have a support here, you have a resistance, and people might say that, oh yeah, this is a breakout here and we should be able to pop up to fill the rest of the range. Not so quick, right? Since this is a first range here, this is when you're most probable to get faked out on, and where price will likely come back into the range on. So that's why now the only way I take a trade going against the daily trend is if I get a range 2 breakout. And what's a range 2 breakout, you may ask? Well, price came up, broke above this resistance, came up, created another resistance right here. This is now a second range. This is your first range, and this is your second range. You can now mark this as range 1, and this is range 2. Bias for me would have been above here if I was looking to change my bias for a day, but we never broke above there, and now we're coming back into the range. So this is a fake out coming down. So
What kind of top wick are you looking for here?
on the sells, well, how the 4 hour close here? A minute and a half. Let's just wait the minute and a half here, but a decent one. Yes, this is it's a new 4 hour candle.
As long as it closes below 829 for me, because that 4 hour looking left has that resistance. I want it to close below. What do you think?
I think below 800, 804.
You're looking to use the 1 hour stops. It's like 30 pips, 28 pips.
No, it'll be current candle stops.
What about you, Don?
Haven't decided yet on what. Okay, what? Well, I guess yeah, there's 4 hour close.
I know you want to use that 1 hour, but
I do.
That's pretty big, right?
27 pips for 50 pip TP. It's not bad. It's like half risk. Yeah, half risk. I'll probably pop a 5 instead of a 10 or a 6. But I gotta see those 4 hour closes. I might not even be in with the 4 hour here. Gold came down towards that support. Lovely. Nice. Yeah, chat. No position stay for me yet. And if we close above here on GG, I'm just gonna call it a day, to be honest with you. Cause then you gotta wait for a 30-minute onion play on gold, and that's gonna be like 9:30, 9:45, and you know, it'll probably be an off stream or something. But I'm a little drained from looking at gold today. It was a good day today though. No positions, but vibe. Yeah, I think she's gonna close above here, Marcos.
Yeah.
What's the onion plate? Exclamation point onion. It'll pop up.
Someone said Signal Group's gonna eat.
Yeah. I didn't go stand for NYSC push. Yeah, I think NYSC push is at 9:30. I don't know if I wanna be on to 9:30. That's the onion play. What's the video for? Is there a video? Oh no, it's this. Yeah, that's the onion basically. It's like basically just like price coming down, creating support, closing bullish support to retest the highs. That's all that is. It's just a short-term way of us saying that. So like if we were to close bullish on gold here, like this, then high chance the next 15-minute candle or next 30-minute candle will continue up to retest the highs. And then you start looking for buys once that happens. But until then, It's gonna be a while because look, it's 9 a.m. right now. This next 30-minute countdown closes in about 29 minutes, 9:30. I don't know. How the 4 hour close on gold? And Doji too. Not the greatest position you can take. Andre, you took one trade today?
One trade.
I see.
I think I'm gonna call it quits on gold for today, just because of that 4 hour close doji. I mean, I guess you can ignore it and still potentially look for buys, but I would need at least a 30 or an hourly closure at support to confirm that. I don't know if I would take anything besides that. And then I'm in the same boat with you with GJ. We closed above on the 4 hour.
How you feel about the 15-minute celery on GJ?
It's just I'll love to take it, but the 4 hour, it's just the 4 hour, you know. It's just close like bullish above that resistance. Not the greatest like look for sells on a 1530.
Stops are gonna be like 9 pips. I'm gonna actually place sell stops here on this 15-minute, as long as we don't break the previous 15-minute high, which looks like we're about to do right now. If we break the previous 15-minute high, I'm gonna delete them, but I like Wix 9 idea there. Looks good.
Are you worried about the 4 hour time frame?
I'm not because the hourly, if you go on the hourly, we closed below 152.87.
Yeah.
And that was my hourly support, so we closed below that. Tried scrolling, looking left, and I noticed a couple of times we closed below there and then shot back up. So I don't know. It looks like we're breaking 15-minute highs, so I'm gonna delete my sell stop now.
I mean, hourly is definitely clean. Like if it wasn't for the 4 hour today, I would 100% be in a trade once you flip here on a 1 hour candle here. 100%, 100%. I took a sell coming down, stops the previous candle high, but since the 4 hour closed the way it did, it just kind of causes me to stay out until Asian perhaps, because by the time this 4 hour candle closes, it'll be 1 p.m. and there's no trade at that time. So there's a lot of conflict, but you like gold buys? Yeah, I mean,
I'm just looking left every
bad.
time a gold is closed above 1804.2. We've come up to test that high at 1808 on the 15-minute time frame. 4 hour close bullish. Doji, even if you ignore it, still bullish. Respects those 4 hour high lows. Should be good here.
yeah, and the 4 hour isn't even bad as well, just because like it closed doji too, so you can't just block out the candle as is. I just can't open it up and close right there, so nothing much happens with that candle. We should come up to fill this wick here, as long as we respect the lows.
Exactly.
So it's not bad.
But I would need like a 15 closure still bullish, just like 10 minutes away.
I'll be back. Take over.
Bye, sir.
Interessante. Is there a specific level that you want this current 15 to close above, Marcos, to make your buys good?
Or 1804.2 is where I'm looking left. The last 1, 2, 3 times we've closed above there. We've come up to 1808.
Nice.
I would just need this candle to close like decent bullish. I don't want it to be like a weak bullish or like a doji.
Yeah. And then next candle opens up bottom wick, and then
yeah, I like to break. I would love to get on the break at the highs, but I mean that's already going to be like 10 pips.
Today was a tough day.
Yes.
There was a lot of price struggling at certain levels that, like, even if you got in, it was still not like a very clean push for any of the moves we saw. All the moves we saw were like slow and back and forth, not the way we like it.
Yeah, like if it closed like this, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
Something like that. When you get it up to retest the top, maybe even a closure above. That'd be nice.
Fortunately, this current hour or the previous hour high is like all the way up at 1809. So this current 1 hour could just be, you know, make a top wick and then push to flip. But that 1 hour, the current 1 hour, excuse me, the previous 1 hour closed right at support there. So
Yeah, I'm seeing that like previous 1 hour as just the top wick to the previous 4 hour. You see what I'm
makes
saying?
sense. Yeah,
Yeah.
makes sense.
And then this 1 hour came down, like you said, touching support. We get a bullish closure there, kind of making a higher low.
I like it. What you thinking, Don?
I just want to play Warzone.
Yeah, he's done. He's shocked.
No, I haven't played Warzone in so long. I don't know. I'm kind of just chilling. I guess. Like, I don't know. I was planning to hop off, but gold doesn't look that bad. But I think it's like I gotta wait 30 minutes for his account to close. And you know, guys, sometimes I'll be honest with you guys. Sometimes being on charts for 2.5 hours. I mean, that's my cutoff time usually, but it gets draining sometimes, especially when you gotta like stream and talk as well. It gets a bit like tiring, which is a good thing because it won't cause me to stay on charts forever. It won't, you know, I'm not on a charts for like 5-6 hours after. Like, the moment I end my stream chat, I'm off of my charts usually. Like, I'm not. It's not even on. It's like, oh, I'm not a trader no more. I'm just a normal dude. But no, sometimes I stay to 9:30, sometimes I stay to 10. I feel like today's a 9 a.m. day. If this kind of flips bearish, I'm gonna call it a session, I think, because then there'll just be.
GJ just did exactly what I want gold to do, pretty much. 15-minute closure at support and 4 hour bullish, fill the wick. I have my support lower, but I literally did exactly what I would like gold to do.
Gold's pushing down here. Yeah, if you break the 4 lows, it's a chalk session, guys.
Yeah, it is. It's 4 hour celery.
Kind of excited for it to break the lows. Gives me a reason to call it a day. It wasn't even the cleanest day as well too. So like, if you didn't catch any positions today, don't stress at all. There's nothing to be caught at all today, unless you're a McLaren trader.
GJ 30-minute candle came up to make a top wick on the previous candle that had no top wick. Or,
yes.
Yeah, no top wick.
Ooh, gold respecting the lows.
I'm really about sell stops here on GJ for you. 1 hour sell stop, 1 hour new current, 1 hour high is a stop loss for the current channel. If it were to flip.
Now that we created the top wick on the previous 30-minute candle, and this 30-minute candle would flip, then I like that. I would prefer that over gold. The gold buys.
Too.
I feel like I'm exhausted by gold today.
Yeah, is it just me? I'm exhausted. I didn't even think a trade.
I'm exhausted, bro. I was in a trade for what, an hour and a half, just like trying every way to like manage and be. It was tough.
It was break even though, so what were it?
Yeah.
Breaking the lows. Breaking the lows.
Yeah, gold looks like it wants to come down here for sure.
We're getting this bullish closure. Cap. Don't do it. Oh no, don't do it.
Your day for gold's done.
Rip gold.
Yeah.
Oh, it hasn't broken the lows yet.
You guys should break the high.
The 4 hour lows.
Yeah. Gold's definitely chalk for me. Yeah, chat. You know what? I'm just gonna call that a session. If I see something, I'll call it in my single channel. But other than that, I think my session is over here. I am tired of from today. So hope you guys had a great session today. Hope you guys know what to do over leverage. I ended off the day with 0 trades so far. Other than that, man, thanks for showing up today, of course. And it was a W stream today. Definitely W stream. We avoided a lot of fake outs. We avoided a lot of shit today. So W. Catch you guys tomorrow morning at 6:30 Eastern. All right. Peace and love. Have a great session. And yeah. Thanks mods again. And thanks Tyler. W.
W.